How's everyone doing today? Dah makan? I just came back from downstairs. I had to pick up something. But yippee! Today we're gonna do some physics stuff. It's been a while since I took physics though. But how is everyone? Is my voice okay? Is it soft? Selamat pagi, cikgu. 9.34. Pagi ke? Dah makan cikgu nasi berlauk lagi. Yummy. That sounds so good. Let Hanna cook. I don't know about that. Sebab it has been such a long time since I took physics. A long time. Yeah. I feel like I'm more towards biology, which is the reason why I took biology as the first SPM stream. Yeah. But physics though, to be honest, my least favorite subject. Yeah. Glasses are really versatile. First, you can have glasses wherein girls take them off and suddenly become beautiful. That's just way too cute. What? Cute? Watashi? U equals to MA square? I don't even know if that's a legit equation or not. Cikgu, saya duduk belakang je duduklah kat mana. Kau boleh cikgu pun nak duduk kat belakang. Kau boleh cikgu pun tak nak mengajar. Sebab ni adalah subjek yang paling cikgu tak suka. Nak panggil diri sendiri cikgu pun rasa macam tak kena lah. Sebab cikgu pun tak pandai fizik. Hari ni we are going blind. I did not review the questions at all. So I'm gonna need your help, okay? Ada siapa kat sini yang ambil physics? Is there anyone in chat who takes physics? Or still taking physics? I don't know. Maybe there are a few SPM students in chat who take physics as one of their subjects. Still, me? There is quite a few of you guys. Kalau nak tanya nanti, tanya budak duduk depan tu cikgu. Siapa yang duduk depan? Nanti Hanna tanya, okay? Tak nak lah, Hanna nak tanya juga budak kat belakang. Apa ni? Science stream baru lepas trial last week. Really? Seriously? Saya ambil fizik dulu. Subjek favorite. Asal ni kena... Why is this being deleted? Oh, okay. Never mind. Sotomate. Let me just adjust a few things. Saya duduk tepi tingkap. Cikgu, saya tak ambil fizik. Boleh jelaskan tak apa itu fizik? Fizik ni dia adalah dia merangkumi calculations. Ada dia punya prinsipal macam mana benda tu bergerak, macam mana benda tu terjadi. Terjadi mungkin tak lah. Mostly, let's Google what physics means because I am bad when it comes to definition. Physics definition. Physics is the fundamental science that studies matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. Kebanyakan benda yang kita akan belajar dekat dalam fizik ni ialah force. Yeah, F equals to MA, whatever. Arigato! Siapa ni? I cannot see. Thank you for the one, Kyuki! Wait, I need to squint. So physics. I wonder if I could dare to this... Terlepas. I'm sorry. The screen with my OBS is quite far from where I am right now. So... I could hardly see any messages from Socialbuzz, especially if it's really long. But thank you, arigato. Thank you. Uish, SPM dah 9 tahun berlalu. Maksudnya kalau 9 tahun yang lepas awak ambil SPM 2026 tolak 9, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2017 ke awak ambil SPM? Wah, baby! Hey yo cikgu Hanna, sorry lewat tadi ada meeting PIBG. Enggak apa-apa. Physics is fun, one of my favorite subjects among the science siblings. Like I said, it's my least favorite. My favorite is biology. chemistry is second. Third, I would put physics. Yeah. But what about you guys? Do you guys like physics though? Since some of you guys did take physics, korang suka ke subject physics ni? I don't like it, to be honest. Maybe it's because there's a lot of math going on. Banyak calculation, and I hate calculation. Physics best buat eksperimen, exam tak best. Betul! And masa zaman Hanna, tak tahulah zaman sekarang mungkin masih sama, mungkin lain. Tapi tak silap Hanna dulu SPM dia ada 3 paper, right? Paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Paper 3 tu Hanna tak ingat dia buat apa. What's the difference? But, is it the same? Do you guys still have paper 3? Paper kertas 3 fizik? Ada kan? Or is it different now? My first is chemistry, then physics, and bio. Dak kira tak suka menghafal. Betul. Ada orang dia mungkin dia lebih kepada menghafal, jadi dia suka bio. Tapi Hanna tak adalah menghafal sangat. Hanna lebih memahami. Tapi when it comes to kira-kira, Hanna chaos sikit. I guess it depends on which part of your brain you use more. I love quantum mechanics. Wow, math is my mental health because why not? Physics is like the closest thing to magic. But I have to say, when it comes to doing experiments, physics is quite interesting. I remember back then, we had to do a physics experiment that involves a pendulum, if I'm not mistaken. A pendulum, I forgot what it was. Yeah, I would remember the pendulum. What's it for? I don't remember. But we had to like move this pendulum and calculate what... Oh yeah, I don't remember. But there's a pendulum involved. What's paper 3? Oh, paper 3 amali. Yeah, amali, right? Paper 3 untuk KSSM tu amali. Oh, you guys call it amali? I don't remember what we did exactly back then. Paper 3, what did we do? It was not really an open book test. Amali. I switched to art stream after SPM. Really? So like from science and then you move on to art? Wow. But you know what? You're not alone. There's a lot of people who decided to change courses after SPM. Even, after degree, they decided to change courses. For example, Hanna. Yeah. Even though I took science, like biology, blah, 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 blah. But I moved on to computer science now. Things that I don't exactly like, which involves a lot of coding and things like that. Physics senang ko kalau main theory, buat essay. Damn, I hate essays. Oscillation, yeah, that thing. I forgot. Oscillations and frequencies. Yeah, and then what else did we do back then? I remember there was like a car where we had to move it from a slope. And then tengok berapa laju dia jatuh, and there's a lot of like racing things involved. Well, it goes to show that I don't really like physics that much because I remember experiments that involve biology or chemistry more than physics. Physics paper 3 is coursework. Naruto. Saya math dari gagal trial ke B semasa SPM real. A lot of people are like that lah. Kenapa dulu banyak je kali fail. Bio, chemistry, physics. Rasanya bila je, jarang lah tak fail. Selalu fail. But fortunately I got B+ during my SPM. Oh, pendulum gravity in degree lab. Mana yang kena buat eksperimen tu kan? I think so. It has been such a long time since I took SPM. I'm a dinosaur, so I don't remember the details. My bad. I did try out in STPM, did horribly, switched to business and accounts for diploma. STPM is super hard though. I really respect those who take STPM. A friend of mine took STPM. I think, what did she take? It was science related too. And it was grueling. Very stressful. So, really respect to those people who take STPM after. I have physics degree, but my current job have nothing to do with physics. なるほど。Paham? I'm teaching psychic. Did I misspelled physics? Not psychic, physics. I agree dulu Bayu kepala dua je. Syukurlah dapat si spek Hanna cute. Oh my god, look at this. I can even do this. Yeah. The glasses is literally called Conan glasses. Yes, Amalu. Kenapa malu? But experiment, you have 45 minutes for the paper. Nah, wait. I think I remember now. You have to perform an experiment, right? But on paper, instead of like physical experiments, you have to remember the procedures, the inferences. I don't know if there was an inference, conclusion, things like that, right? Okay, I remember now. Detective Conan. My school cheat a lot during SPM. Not good lah. If you time periksa pun you cheat, right? How are you gonna succeed in your life? If your life is based on lies, not good. Cik, go to detective real quick. Currently doing degree in electrical engineering. Jangan masuk weh. My brother also take electrical engineering. Masuk oh. Duit memang masuk. You just have to study hard, really hard. Masa aku kenal ni kata. No, you did the physical experiments and write down the data? Really? Back then it was just on paper. I don't know, my memory is fuzzy. I don't know if we did a physical experiment. I don't think so, did we? Anyways, yeah. There was a paper tree. I just don't remember the details. Bukan hebat mana pun. Kelas sains rumah tangga dengan perniagaan je. Apa yang tak hebat? Hebat lah tu. That's still something, you know? You know, like people take science, law and everything. Does not equate success, you know? Yeah, regardless of what you take in your studies, right? It still matters. Except for like philosophy. I'm kidding. I'm joking. Philosophy is important in our lives. Only for the hard questions. Hard question, easy questions. Don't cheat lah, okay? Not good. You have later when you get into work life, right? How are you gonna cheat? Dah 10 tahun lepas tak ingat dah SPM buat apa kan? It's been a while. Anyways, let's move on to the subject. We are gonna do a paper 1 for the time being. I'm just gonna do paper 1. Yeah. Yep. I don't want to do any essays because nobody got time for that shit. So we're gonna do this one first. So let me just adjust a few things on my OBS. Okay. Yeah. So this is a past year I don't know if this is a past year or maybe this is a trial paper. Jangan buka kertas peperiksaan ini sehingga diberitahu. Penilaian intervensi terbilang akademik Selangor, Pintas 2025. I don't think this is a past year paper, but I'll just use whatever I find. So this is it. We're gonna do a objective questions. If I'm not mistaken, there's like 50. Is that 50? Oh, 40. Only 40 questions. Yay! So I can sleep early. But anyways, like I told you guys, it has been such a long time since I took physics, so I don't remember a lot of things. I will need your help, okay? This is one of the few streams that I allow backseating. But then again, I allow backseating a lot. But I just wanna make a disclaimer that yes, you guys can help me. We are gonna do this together. You guys cannot call me a teacher because I don't think I'm gonna teach you shit tonight. Okay. Objectives for KSSM only 40. I have no idea what KSSM is. Is it like what is that? KSSM. Penilaian? No idea. Okay, never mind. Let's move on. I don't think anyone remember anything from SPM. Unless you're an SPM student, maybe you will remember. Or you still take physics after during your degree or for your work. Probably remember. So this, they always give you a formula. So see, there's force in motion, heat. Damn, so it's just a bunch of alphabets. V equals to U plus AT. S equals to half U plus V. If I'm not mistaken, V is like velocity. T is for time. S, what's S? I don't remember. But yeah, V, velocity, T, test. Maybe it's like U is the... What is U? Does anyone know what U is? S is displacement. Oh, so like the what do you call it? Distance. Somewhat. V final. Oh yeah, I remember. V is the final. U is the initial. U is initial velocity. V is the final velocity, right? S is displacement. T is time. M. What is P? P is pressure, if I'm not mistaken. F, force? Force? Is it force? A is acceleration. Oh yeah! See, I don't remember. See, some of you guys remember even more than Hannah. So that's good. You guys will help me. Momentum. Oh, P is pressure. M is mass, I think. I don't know. Q, and then we have a lot of alphabets here. We have F for fuck this, G for goddamn, A for oh my god, and yeah, a lot of alphabets. Let's start. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to feel stressed out? Oh, it says here, P is pressure. G is gravitational force. Let's do this! Let's get stressed. Antara berikut. Do you guys want to do it in Malay or in English? I'm gonna ask you guys first. Nanti later people say, oh, why you speak Malay? I don't understand. Why you speak English? What, English? Do you guys take physics in English or BM? Back in my day, we took physics in English. English? Oh no, was it BM? I don't remember. Macam kenal. Physics usually taught in English. But there was like moments back then where they keep changing the language, right? You have to take it in BM, you have to take it in English, and then you have to take it in Dwi Bahasa, so like 2 languages. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna mix. Okay? Antara which of the following is a vector quantity? The fuck is vector quantity, bro? I didn't know quantity got 2 different things. Maybe I remember I studied this back then, but I don't remember. Kuasa or power, tenaga, energy, tekanan, pressure, momentum. What is a vector quantity? Let me just Google. Is it safe to Google here? Vector quantity. So, a vector quantity is a physical quantity that requires both a magnitude and a direction to be completely defined. What? Okay? So it needs a magnitude, the size, and a direction to be completely defined. Oh, is this the kind of vector that I study for math? So it needs a direction. Is it D? Could it be D, chat? Because it asks for direction, right? Kuasa, I don't think there's direction. Energy, no direction. Pressure, I don't think so. Momentum, then yes. Probably a direction. Okay, let me just pull this out. Okay. Do you guys think it's D? D is the answer? Confident. Pasti. D. Okay, let's do D. Number 2. Diagram 1 shows a graph of R against 1 over A. The fuck is 1 over A, bro? This is ohm. Talalat ohm. Talalat. This is for energy? I think? Resistance and current. Oh, R is the resistance. A is the ampere. Is it like current? Wait, resistance use ohm? Because it's 1 over A. Ampere? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Which statement is correct? A. R directly proportional with A. Is it? I don't think so. I don't know. R is inversely proportional to 1A. Maybe it's wrong. Unit for the gradient of the graph is mm. No idea. The gradient of the graph equals the change of magnitude R divided by A. Okay, wait. The unit for the gradient of the graph is, okay, there's an ohm, and then there's a this. Why is it negative though? Could it be C? Which statement is correcto? R adalah berkadar terus dengan A. I don't think so, because the one that's being shown is 1 over A, not A. If R berkadar terus or R directly proportional with A, then it should be like this. This is R, this is A. It'll be like that. But the thing is, this one is 1 over A. It's different. So I don't think it's A. R is inversely, I'm just using my logic, okay? R is inversely proportional to 1 over A. It's not inversely proportional though. It's not songsang. Because it feels like it's proportional. See? It's like straight up, a straight line. Yeah. C. Unit for the gradient of the graph is mm square. It could be a C. Yeah. So but they have this and they have this. Sorry, a lot of things going on here. Yeah, see? You guys see this? And D, the gradient of the graph, change of magnitude R, the change of magnitude A. How does one even calculate the gradient? I don't know. Y equals to mx plus c, right? 1 equals to mx plus c. This is math. But I guess you can apply in this too. So it could be C. C? Okay, I see a lot of people saying C, then we gonna answer C. Number 3! Diagram shows a motorcyclist riding up a hill with uniform deceleration. Why you riding up the hill and then you decelerate? Shouldn't you accelerate because you wanna puncak gemilang cahaya menuju puncak. What stupid motorcyclist that decelerate? Okay, penunggang motosikal itu, oh English. The motorcycle then went down the hill with uniform acceleration. Budak ni nak mampus awal agaknya. Which graph is correct to explain the relationship between the velocity with time t for the motion of the motorcycle? Let me show you guys. A, V, T. Okay? B, V. Oh, dia macam ni, dia turun. Lepas tu, macam tu. V is like uniform. Dia tak berubah, dia punya velocity. And then D, velocity dia naik, dia accelerate, and then dia turun. Saya bukan ni. I feel like it's this. Yeah, it's B. Logic ma. Logic. Okay. Next one. The diagram tree shows the state of Newton's cradle. Wow, this is the thing that I did for my experiment back then. The pendulum. Okay, now we're gonna study what this pendulum does. Diagram tree shows the state of Newton's cradle after several balls on Newton's cradle are displaced and then released to collide with the other balls. Okay, I will repeat. Diagram tree shows the state of Newton's cradle after several balls on Newton's cradle are displaced and then released to collide with other balls. You guys got that? We're talking about balls. Just in case you guys didn't hear that. Balls. So there's a bunch of balls in this Newton's cradle. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. Okay? So, sebelum, before, it's like this. Okay? And then they put 2. Okay, and then they put 3. Okay? So 1 and then 1. 2 is a 2. And then 3 is those 3. A lot of balls. Which statement is correct about the motion of Newton's cradle? The total energy before and after the collision is different. Buta ka? The momentum before and after collision is conserved. Adalah diabadikan. Could that be the answer? I don't know. Let's check C. The difference in total momentum before and after the collision is 0. Could be C. I don't know. D. The total kinetic energy before collision is bigger than after collision. Then it's not D. Wait, it's not D. It could be either B or C. Diabadikan. What does that mean? Conserved. The momentum before and after collision is conserved. Is it conserved? Diabadikan. Diabadikan sounds like forever. It will forever be like that. You know, regardless of how long you leave it, it will forever be like that, I think. This is based on my logic, okay? And then see the difference in total momentum before and after the collision is 0. The difference. Could be C, lah. Is that C? No? Kekal tak akan ubah, mungkin. B? You guys think it's B? Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll because I don't know about this one. What is... Oh wait, what number is this question? Is it 3? 4, okay. Number 4. 4. Is it B or is it C? It's definitely not A or D lah, I think. I would let you guys decide. What do you guys think it could be? I don't think it's... Is it B? Because the B or... Okay. Let me explain why it could not be B. It's because it says the momentum before and after collision is conserved. If you read the Malay translation, momentum sebelum dan selepas pelanggaran adalah diabadikan. Diabadikan means it will forever be like that. Forever. Regardless of how long you leave it, the momentum will forever be the same, constant. Okay? Which is why I'm like a little bit iffy with B. Whereas for C, it kind of makes sense. The difference in total momentum, the difference, okay? If you tolak the momentum before and you tolak the momentum after, it will be 0 because both momentum have the same value. Yeah. Huh? See? Same. If you tolak, then you got 0 lah. See? That's the thing in physics called the law of conservation of momentum. Why does C sound right? I feel like it could be C. B. I don't know. Okay, let me look at a poll. Let's close the poll. What is the answer? The answer is... Oh, you guys think it's B? Sure. Are you sure? Okay, since you guys answered B, then we put B. I feel like this is mine lah. This is Hannah's punya jawapan lah. I just put H. So I don't confusing though, to be honest. I don't think it's really confusing lah. It was kind of straightforward. But it's okay. You guys answer B, I will follow you guys. Oh my god, it's the Earth. Number 5. Diagram 4 shows a satellite of mass 2,600 kilo orbiting Earth at a distance 705 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. Oh, fun fact. Do you guys know that there is a place on Earth that is so far from land to the point that from the Earth to the satellite, it's much more closer. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? There's this point on Earth, I forgot what's it called. It's like in the middle of the ocean, and the distance from there to land is so far that the distance from the Earth to the satellite is much closer. Hey, it's called Point Nemo. Yeah, I was like, it was called after a fish. Point Nemo, if I'm not mistaken. I saw that on TikTok. But anyways. Oh, fuck! I need to pull out my calculator! I didn't pull out my calculator! Wait, chocolate. Let me just pull out my calculator. Guys, if you have a calculator, pull it out too. Where the heck did I put my calculator? Yippee! I found my calculator. I have a very cute pencil box. It has like ducks. Duck prints. Okay. I'll just put this on. Don't pull calculator Casio. The calculator that I'm using right now, right? It's Dolphin. Dolphin Be Ready. It was like 48 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. Why is calculator so expensive, bro? It's so expensive. 48 ringgit for a calculator, but I saw calculators that are far more expensive. It was 60 ringgit or something. But it was kind of cute. It was pink. The zipping is so satisfying. Oh, you like the zipping? Let me do that again. Zipping ASMR. Okay. Anyways, I have my Dolphin scientific calculator right now. Dengan menggunakan, oh wait, English. By using formula t square equals to 4 pi square r natang apa ni? Over gm, general manager, calculate the orbital period of the satellite. Mass of the Earth equals to 5.97 times 10. Radius of the Earth, let's just highlight this. Okay, what exactly are we calculating? Calculate the orbital period of the satellite. Hitong tempoh orbit bagi satellite itu. Okay. I think this is important if you want to work for NASA or something. A regular person like Hanna, no need lah to calculate satellite orbit whatever. Okay, so ni na bagi dah. They already give you a formula, pretty straightforward. What is T? I don't know. And then there's 4 and pi square. R is the radius. So we have the radius. G is the... What is G, bro? G could be the mass of the Earth. M is... What is M? Guys, what is this? Let's dissect this. 4 pi... I'm using a mouse, okay? I'm sorry, it's ugly. Is that an R? Is that a V? R? Cubic G M General Manager. Okay, G is gravity. G is gravity. Okay. Gravity. Malay tulis. M is mass. R is the radius. Ready. And then T is the, which I assume is this. Orbital period of the satellite, maybe. Okay? Okay, the mass is this one. Everything is already given in the question, bro. 2,600 kilograms. Whereas the radius is 705 kilometers. The gravity... What is the gravity of Earth? Oh wait, there's 2 mass. Should we use the mass of the satellite or should we use the mass? Or is this gravity? Trying to process. Process incomplete. Pergi page depan, okay. Do they give it to us? Okay, there's gravity here. Oh gee, this one. Okay, 6.67 times 10. We just take 6.67 lah. 67. Shut up, Anna. Okay, 6.67, okay? 6.67. And then... So let me just write this down before I forgot. Because I have a memory of a goldfish. 6.67. And then the mass. Should we take the mass of the satellite? Or should we take the mass of the... Jisem Bumi? Mass of the Earth. Jadi apa benda pula ni? Oh, okay. It's kind of confusing when you look at both translations. Should we take the mass of the Earth? Or should we take the mass of the satellite? Oh, the Earth? Okay. Really? The Earth, ah? Let's calculate. 4 times pi. Where's my pi? Where's the pi in this calculator, bro? Oh, okay, found it. 4 pi square times radius is 6.37. Quantity G. Okay. And then we divide it with gravitational mass is 6.67 times mass of the Earth, which is 5.97. The answer is 2. Fuck. What is this, bro? Yeah. 2.563. Is this C? Sedang belajar menengok ini. Saya pun sedang belajar sambil saya jawab ni. I got B. You got B? Oh, you guys got B. R is quantity G, right? Do you use the mass of the Earth or do you use the mass of the satellite, guys? What times 10 is G? So G is 6.67 times berapa tu punya kuasa tadi? Times 10 negative 11. Fuck lah. I hate it when they give me like things like this. M besar is mass of Earth. Mass Earth. Okay. R jejari bumi plus jarak bumi dengan satellite. Oh, so we have to. So basically, we have to we have to add them together. So does that mean? Listen. Does that mean 705 kilometers plus jejari bumi berapa? 6.37? Is that it? And times with pi square. Oh shit, never mind. Yes. Okay. Let me try. 6.37 plus with 705 kilometers, and then the answer we cubic. Okay, times with pi square times 4, and then we divide it. I hate this box so much. This is why I don't like physics, because of the math. Okay, when it comes to the gravity, right? Because it's 6.67 times 10 negative 7, right? What exactly do we need to change, chat? What is that? Negative? So does that mean it has to go backwards? Like this? I don't even know what I'm doing. Negative 7. No. I'ma let you guys decide. B. Okay, B. Dah, let's go. Let's proceed. Oh, ke kiri. Ke kiri sekejap. Ke kiri. To the left. 7. Maksudnya kita kena move 4 kali lah kan? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it gonna be 0.00 Where am I done? Tak faham. Dah lah, skip je lah. B. Next question.
Tori
Tachi. Welcome, Nis. My brain. You know, like currently my brain is like this, right? Let me show you a visual representation of my brain. Let's say this is my brain. We have the amygdala, the hypothalamus, whatever. Okay? This is Hannah's brain. Let's say the mass of Hannah's brain is currently, what is the average mass of a brain? Average mass, what is it in caps lock, of a brain. 1.3 to 1.4 kilogram. Okay, let's say I have a 1.3 kilogram brain. Okay, this is before I jawab fizik. After I jawab fizik, right, it shrunk. It becomes
Tori Tachi.
so small. Tori taci. Waka, Hana otak hangus. Ni dah hangus ni. Bukan hangus je, dah jadi kecut. Everything is fried. Okay, this is before. This is after I jawab fizik punya SPM questions. So it has become, I lost like 1 kilo. So it becomes 300 gram only. 300 gram. I lost 1 kilo of my brain. Missing, gone, hancur, lebur, berderai. This is why I cannot take physics. Because the more I take physics, right, the smaller it gets. Until it's only a cell. How does a brain cell looks like? It's like a star, like a satellite, right? But yeah, until there's only a cell left. That's why I cannot take physics. I have a medical condition. Yes. Okay, anyways. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is true about the satellites that is used in the Global Positioning System GPS? Okay. I feel like this is more theory. Orbital period is 24 hours. To orbit the Earth in the same direction as the direction of the Earth located in a lower orbit than the geostationary Earth. The fuck is that? Always above the same geographical location on Earth. I don't think it's D. Is it D? Is it D? The answer, which I think is not the correct answer, could be the right answer. It says, okay, always above the same geographical location on Earth. Let's say this is the Earth, and this is Malaysia. I cannot draw Malaysia. Okay, and then this is the satellite, right? When it moves, I don't think it's gonna be on the same place lah. I feel like it's gonna move later. It's gonna be in China or something, or later it's gonna be, I don't know. I don't know how satellite works. Do I look like I work for NASA? No. Tempo orbit ialah 24 jam. It could not be. It could not be A. Chat, I have a question. Bumi, you know that how everything rotates? The Earth rotates around the sun. The moon rotates around the Earth. If I'm not mistaken, the moon, the time it took for the moon to rotate the Earth is like 24 hours, right? But the Earth rotates 360 on its own axis. It's like 24 hours too? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. My question is, you guys know how planets rotate, right? So we have, let's draw. This is the sun. The sun! Okay? I don't even know why we're even going to this topic, but I just want to ask you guys. Let's say this is Mercury. Let's just not draw Mercury. Let's just draw Earth. This is Earth. And then this tiny little dot is the moon. The time it takes for the Earth to rotate the whole sun is 365 days. Like, it takes a year or so, if I'm not mistaken. Whereas the Earth itself, let's say this is Earth, also rotates on its own axis. It rotates. Right? Right? So, for the Earth to rotate a full circle on itself, isn't it like 24 hours? No? Yes? And then we have the moon. The moon also rotates around the Earth. And I feel like it has the same value too, like 24 hours. One day, one Earth rotation on its own axis. Yeah. Okay? So, is it possible for the orbital period of the satellite 24 hours? Food for thought. Is not possible? Is not? Why not? Oh, the moon takes 30 days? Eh, really? Oh, I didn't know that. So 30 days to rotate the whole Earth? What is that? Why does it sound weird? Let's Google. How long does it take? How do I word this? How long does the moon revolve around Earth? Yes. Oh, you're right. The moon takes 27.3 days to complete one full orbit around the Earth. Interesting. Okay. I see. Interesting, right? W info. Maybe that's why we have like, you know, like gibbous, the crescent moon, the full moon, the twilight, yeah, those things. I don't even know why we suddenly talk about planets, but I'm just trying to make sense of what information that I have in my brain so that I can answer number 6. To orbit the Earth in the same direction as the direction of the Earth's rotation. Is it? I don't know. Located in a lower orbit than the geostationary Earth orbit. The fuck is this? The fuck is a geostationary Earth orbit? Geostationary orbit. A geostationary orbit, or GEO, is a circular orbit above Earth equator because a satellite in this orbit travels at the same rotational speed as Earth. It appears fixed in the sky. This makes it ideal for continuous telecommunication. Oh! So, does that mean it's C then? Because it has the word satellite in the description. Oh, that makes sense. See, let's move on. Just because it has the word satellite in it. Number 7. Semangkok nasi, a bowl of hot rice being left at room temperature. Thermal equilibrium is reached when rice temperature decrease. B. The surrounding air temperature increase. C. There is no net heat transferred between the surrounding air and rice. Or D. The amount of heat energy in the surrounding air and the rice is the same. I'm a little bit confused with C and D. It's not A, it's not B. It could either be C or D. C. Yeah? I feel like it's C too. Let's answer C. Number 8. Diagram 5 shows the temperature time graph of substance P. What kind of substance are we talking about here? With a mass of 0.025. Is this cocaine? Which is heated using 100 watts heater. Berapakah haba pendam? What is the specific latent heat of fusion substance P? I don't know. Even though I have my calculator with me right now, I'm not gonna calculate this. Anyways, P is 0.025. The pemanas. What is W? Is it power? I don't know. What letter is assigned for this? Physics in Malay very interesting Haba pendam. Dia pendam lama-lama, lepas tu dia meletup. Tak baik pendam. Kita tak elok pendam. Kita janganlah sesekali kita pendam, okay? Kalau kita pendam, makan diri. Jadi, pergilah cari kawan ataupun ahli keluarga supaya awak boleh meluah. Kita kalau pendam, nanti lama-lama kita depress. Okay? Bahan P, jangan pendam lama-lama. Tembak je soalan ni. Tengok kena ke tak kena. Oh. Watts. Okay. But, what kind of letter? Is it like F? Is it considered F? F is force, right? If for W, watts is what? A? What letter? Do you understand what I'm trying to ask? I'm sorry, I'm really bad at explaining. But W is watts, right? For is it considered A? Or is it just W? I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's E. Oh, it's E. Really? I can't trust you guys. Berapakah haba pendam tentu pelakuran bagi bahan P? A equals to W. What? W is winner. Entahlah. Energy? E. Like, okay. I asked a question, right? You guys know how when we have kilogram, it's M. The unit, not the unit lah. The letter that represents this is M, right? Like small m. And then U is initial velocity, V is final velocity, and then T is for time. So let's say we have this value, 100 watts. What letter is it? Faham tak? E eh? E ke? Let's tengok dekat tekanan. Physics, quantum physics. E for energy. So E then? So E, right? How about Q? E. Yeah, E. I think. Yeah, E. Okay, let's just put E. Yeah, that's my question. Banyaknya formula. A lot. There's a lot of formula. So, this is E. Oh, that's a unit. I'm not trying to find a unit. I'm trying to find what letter it represents. Okay, so berapakah? What is the specific latent heat of fusion of substance P? Macamnya? Kira. Cepat. Bagi tahu cikgu berapa awak dapat. Did you get A? Do you get B? C or D? This question number 8. What is the answer? E equals to PT. So T, we tolak, right? 90 tolak 50, so we get 40, right? Cikgu tak tahu ni. Jangan tanya cikgu. Cikgu tanya supaya awak berfikir. Kebat. Kemahiran berfikiran aras tinggi. Cuba kira. Berapa? Dia ni Hanna tunjuk. 0.025 dia punya mass. Pemanasnya 100 watts. It's energy divided by mass, isn't it? Don't ask me. Q, M equals to mass, L equals to specific latent heat. Oh, what is Q then? 4,000? Mana kau dapat 4,000? There's no 4,000! There's no 4,000! There's 3, I mean the closest is 3.6. Could be a bit. You know, that's what I did back then when I was answering SPM. I'm like, the answer is not in one of the choices, so I just choose whatever that's closest to the one I calculated. We don't have 4, so it could be 3.6. Tembak! Asal lagi boleh tembak. E equals to P T bahagi M. Okay, P is... What is P, bro? E is... what is E? E is 100. Okay, 100. P is... I have no idea. Where is P? And then T is time. So I'm assuming 90 minus 50. So that's 40 seconds. And then M is 0.025. So P is the one we're trying to search, is it? But then we have everything though. No? What's the point if we have... What's the point of us calculating if we have all the things in the formula? We're trying to find... Cari lah. What is the formula to find... Apa tadi? Specific latent heat. M equals to... Mana datang L? Oh, L tu lah latent. E equals to M plus L. E equals to M times L. Is that it? I feel like this is too easy. It could not be this easy. 0.025 equals to... Wait. Salah. Power is 100. Q equals to ml. Q is 100 watt. Q pula! Mana satu ni? Q M. Okay, Q. Mana? Q equals to... Oh, sama je lah kan Q dengan E. The formula is the same. So, it's 100. And then M is 0.025 times L. That's the thing that we're trying to search. So, L equals to 100 bahagi dengan 0.025. So, that is... Calculator. 100 bagi dengan 0.025. 4,000 lah. Tak ada. tak ada dalam soalan. Tak ada. Ada dapat 4,000. Gila kot. Paling dekat. So, PT equals to ML. Arigato. Thank you. 1 ringgit QQ. Q equals to PT over M. Okay, jap. Q equals to PT over M. Alah, terlepas. Apa tadi? Jap. PT, therefore. Q apa, cik? Q is 100 watts. P is 100. Tadi kata Q is 100. Ni P pula 100. What is Q? 40 seconds because the fusion started at 50 and finished at 90. So, P 100. And then T is 40. Mass is 0.025. So, I'm assuming Q is the thing that we're trying to search. 100 times 40 bahagi dengan 0.025. Apa kejadah pula aku dapat jawapan 1,600 ni? Oh! Is it A? Is the answer A? It's A. Because I got 160,000,040. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.6 times 0.5. Very confusing, huh? So Q is the latent heat that we're trying to find. Why is it in this one, latent heat is L? Okay. Either A or D. I feel like it's A now. I mean, based on the calculation, it's A. Anyways, nombor 9. Diagram 6 shows air molecules in a seal tire before and after traveling on the road for 180 minutes. Molekul udara berhalaju rendah. Molekul udara berhalaju tinggi. What does this mean? Does it mean this is slow, this is fast? Pasangan manakah yang betul selepas tayar tertutup sebelum bergerak di jalan raya? Tenaga kinetik molekul udara bertambah. Tekanan udara bertambah. Kinetic energy of air... Okay, which one is it, chat? The kinetic energy of air molecule increase. Air pressure increase. Kinetic energy... I don't think it's B. I feel like it's faster. So we cross out anything that says decrease. So it's either A or C. Tekanan udara bertambah ataupun berkurang. Okay, let's think logically lah. If it's going faster, right? Wouldn't the pressure be higher? No? Kan? Imagine if we put 100 people in a bar. Okay? 100 people in one bar. And then that bar gerak, and then the people in the bar are like, oh my god, it's so stressful. And then they start, like going crazy. Lari sana, lari sini. Wouldn't the pressure be higher in the bar? If we think it like that, I think it's A. Yep. I don't know. It could be A. Yeah. Number 10. Diagram 7 shows a displacement time graph of a wave. What's this? Which one shows the amplitude of the wave? Oh shit! I forgot about this! I forgot about this one! Displacement, amplitude. Amplitude is not A, B, right? Let's Google. Amplitude of wave. Kau? Dia dah bagi dah. Can you guys see it? So, from here, from the x-axis to the highest point of the wave, it's called amplitude. From two high points, it's called wavelength. Yeah. Ada lagi tak? Is there anything else? The top is the peak. So the answer is B. 11. Diagram 8 shows a mother who is inside the house hearing the loud noise of a lawnmower from outside the house. Which of the following is the phenomenon involved? Reflection of waves, refraction of waves, diffraction of waves, interference of wave. Reflection, diffraction, pantulan, pembelawan, pembiasan, interference. If it's refraction, right, shouldn't it be quiet? Sebab the wave is terpantul, right? Okay, never mind. Pembiasan is what? What's the difference? Diffraction? The fuck is diffraction? I think it's B. What's with the illustration? This is the guy mowing his lawn. The mom is like, shut the fuck up, Timothy. I need to watch my television in peace. I don't understand this. I need to charge my phone. It's dying. It goes through a gap. Window. Oh, so like the waves. Wait, the waves is like getting bigger, right? And then like there's a small opening, and then it becomes bigger. wait. Let's diffraction of waves. Diffraction wave. Oh, you're right. Wave diffraction. Wave spreads out, bending round the barrier. Diffraction of wave passing through a wide gap or passing by a barrier. Diffraction of wave passing through a gap of similar size to the wavelength. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, let's see the difference. Reflection of waves. Reflection of wave. Oh, pantul. Katoing, like that. It goes from here, like this one. Goes from here, and then katoing, and then it reflected. So that is reflection of wave. Whereas refraction of wave. Refraction. Oh shit. Oh, refract is like from a different medium to a different medium. For example, from the air to water or something. So that is refracted. Oh my god. It has been such a long time since I studied this. Naruhodo. Okay, interference. What is interference of wave? Interference of wave. Also, there's like two openings, and it forms two different waves, and it interferes. So that is interference. Okay, that's interesting. Then I guess the answer is B. Wait, kita ada 40 soalan kot. Kita baru nombor 12. Wah, ilmu baru ni kan. Trials start next week for me, so cooked. You can do this. Daijoubu da yo. You can do this, okay? Work hard. Study smart. Number 12. Diagram 9 shows a sound wave propagating from hot air to cold air during the day. The sound is not clearly heard during the day. Kawasan udara sejuk, kawasan udara panas. Manakah antara berikut berlaku apabila gelombang bunyi memasuki kawasan udara sejuk? 1. The speed of the sound wave increase. 2. The wavelength decrease. 3. The direction of wave propagation bends toward the normal line. It could be 3. I mean, we studied, refraction, this one. Reflection, diffraction, refraction, interference. I don't know. Yeah, trial starts next week too. They usually start with bertutur speaking and mendengar listening first. You got time? Wait, you guys have that kind of test? What? Tak nak trial? Kena trial. SPM itu penting. If you live in Malaysia, everyone has to take SPM unless you take an equivalent, like, I don't know, O-levels or something. Yeah. But penting kena ada pelajaran dekat Malaysia ni. Kalau tanpa pelajaran, macam mana awak nak melangkah ke hadapan? Kan? Macam mana awak nak membaiki kehidupan awak dan orang-orang di sekeliling awak? Jadi penting itu pembelajaran. Tak apa, jangan, kalau tak dapat A enggak apa-apa, asalkan jangan gagal, okay? At least you tried your best, and that's what matters. Good luck, finish your trials, practice makes progress. Rajin-rajin buat past year papers, because when I looked at it, there's a lot of repeating questions, and the format is somewhat the same. So, yeah, try your best, okay? Hana tak ada ujian lisan, ujian bercakap. Lisan is bercakap, right? No. Back then, we didn't have any blah 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 blah, no. There's no ujian. Wait, do we have ujian lisan? I don't know lah, because it has been such a long time since I take SPM. So I don't remember a lot of things from back in my school days. Yeah, only BM and BI, right? For physics and other subjects, I don't think there was ujian bertutur or ujian lisan. Most of them is just written test. Ujian lisan al-gaib. Wouldn't the wavelength increase when it goes from hot to cold? I don't know. What do you guys think? No listening though. We do in my time, but it's more in class and not as formal. Like for every single subject, even for science subject, you guys have ujian lisan. Thank you for encouragement, God. No problem. But you know what? Even though I don't want to say SPM is everything, nah. But basically SPM is the stepping stone, okay? Without SPM, it's really hard for you to go far in your life. It's okay if you don't get straight A's, but try not to fail lah. Alright? Okay. Okay, let's go back to question number 12. Diagram 9 shows a sound. So basically it goes from hot air region to cold air region, and then the sound is not clearly heard during the day. Which of the following will occur when the sound wave enters the cold air region? Laju gelombang bunyi bertambah, panjang gelombang berkurang, arah perambatan gelombang mendekati garisan normal. Number 3 is correct. Yeah, I feel like number 3 could be the right ones. Could be number 3 too. It's kind of related to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Yeah lah, because bila panas kan, udara kan, the kinetic energy is higher compared to when it's lower, right? But how does that affect the wavelength specifically? It's 2 and 3. The wavelength decreased. The direction of wave propagation bends towards the normal line. Okay, I'm gonna listen to you guys. 2 and 3. Number 13. Diagram 10 shows the apparatus set up in the sound interference experiment. Oh my god, I feel like we did this experiment too back when I was in school in matriculation, I think. The observer can hear loud and soft sounds alternately. Isn't this like interference? Ah, shit. Calculate the wavelength of the sound used, bro. I suck at calculation. Ah, gila. They want the wavelength of the sound used. Do they provide it in the formulas? Let me see. I have no idea. Oh wait, there's the wave. Is this wavelength? This thing, I forgot what it's called. But is this considered a wavelength? Lambda. Lambda is wavelength, is it? Kira-kiranya adalah perkiraan. Jawapannya ialah Maybe we should use the second formula because there's more stuff. There's more stuff going on here. That lambda is wavelength. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Beep, 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 beep. Where is it? This one. Okay. So based on the, it was like, was it? Is it this? AX over D. AX. Where is it? AX over D. Okay. Then what? So it's wave speed divided by frequency. Wrong? X is distance between grid. D is distance from grid from speaker. Oh, so speaker, grid from speaker. So it's 3. This is 3. 1.8 has to be divided, right? But we have to understand what is A, what is X, what is D. Does anyone know what it is? What is A? What is X? I know someone said D is the distance between the speaker and the grid. But what is A? A is the distance between the speakers. So S1, S2. A is 2. Okay. What about X? X, is it the distance between this thing? X should be 0.9, I think. How did you get 0.9? Is it you bagi dua? Is it? This one you bagi dua? Because it has to be in between like this and this instead of the whole thing. So could it be, let's say this is 2, right? So 2 bagi dengan 0.9 darab dengan 0.9 bahagi 3. How much is that? 2 darab 0.9 bagi 3. 0.6. Ah, ada! I got A too! So it's 0.6 then. Yeah, okay. Good luck, Hana. Arigato! Good luck to anyone who's taking physics. I'm not taking physics, I'm just doing this for fun, which is crazy. Diagram 11 shows a spectrum of electromagnetic waves. Wow, I completely forgot about this. Gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible light. Visible light is the one that, you know, we use at our homes. We use visible light. Infrared is the one we use for, like, you know, infrared. What was it? What do you call that? Like, I thought, okay, microwave is the one we use for microwave lah. Radio is for radio. X-ray for X-ray. Gamma, I don't remember what it's for. UV, I don't know if you guys been to spas. But I've been to spas and they use like this ultraviolet light to look at your insecurities. Yes. Infrared or low light. Wave, okay. Which physical quantity increases from gamma rays to radio waves? Is it frequency? Speed? What do you guys think is the answer? The wavelength? Oh yeah, the wavelength! It's like like that. Let's see. Spectrum of, let's Google. Spectrum of electromagnetic waves. Magnetic waves. Ah, this one! Now I remember. So the wavelength, you see? Dia macam macam relax, awal-awal, and then makin lama makin stress. Makin lama macam okay, like that. So you just remember lah, if you're taking SPM, right? Radio relax, gamma stress. Okay? What is relax? What is stress? The wavelength. Okay? When the wavelength is like this, it's just like relax, and then it becomes even more coiled. It becomes stress. Gamma rays. See? Tengok gambar ni pun macam stress. Oh, you guys can't see it. Yeah, but stress. The answer is D. The next question. Diagram 12 shows a light ray propagate from air into a glass block. Hey, isn't this like the refraction thingy? Which diagram shows the correct path of the ray? A is like this. B is like this. C is like this. D is like this. Which one? Ooh, apa benda ni? Light. Okay, light from air into glass block. So from a different medium to a different medium. So a denser medium. So A, let me show you guys. Maybe I should do it like this so that you guys can see better. Yeah, A is like this. B, it is C, it is D. What question is this? 15. What? Which one is the correct path? This refraction, right? Semua is refraction. But the outcome is different. See this? This is the outcome. Where is the angle? The angle here? The angle there? The angle this way? Or the angle this way? A. Less dense to dense angle from normal to berkurang. I think that one. Yeah, I think that one too. Which one? That one. That one is the answer. A lot of you guys answer A, so I guess we're gonna put A. Next one. Which diagram A, B, C, or D shows the correct definition of a critical angle C when light propagates through two mediums of different densities? Apa? What's the answer? What's the answer? Which diagram A, B, C, or D shows the correct definition of a critical angle C when light propagates through two mediums of different densities? Okay. What is it? What is it reflected though? Shouldn't it be like refracted? Is that what they call it? Refracted? No? I don't think it's A. I don't think it's B. Because, I don't know, logic, I guess. But it could be C or D. But what's the difference? Oh, the density. Less dense. Dense. A, B? I don't think it's A or B though. It's not reflected like that. Wow, it's pretty sure they refracted, right? So either C or D. Less dense to dense angle from normal to berkurang. So does that mean it's C? Could it be C? Because you said like from dense to less dense, right? Maybe it's C. Maybe it's C. I don't know. Next question. Diagram 13 shows an experiment to study the relationship between the object distance u and the image distance v, and then to determine the focal length. Ni siapa-siapa pakai spek mata ni kena faham benda ni Hanna pun, walaupun Hanna pakai spek mata, Hanna tak penting sangat pun nak belajar benda ni. Tapi korang kena faham apa yang cuba nak disampaikan ni. It is found that when the bulb is moved farther away from the lens, the sharp image formed becomes smaller. Pilih pernyataan yang paling tepat merujuk kepada situasi berikut. Nilai U bertambah menyebabkan nilai V berkurang. The magnitude of U value decreases, causing the V value to increase. The magnitude of F increased because the lens produced a smaller image. The magnitude of V is fixed because a convex lens produced only one type of image. Why do I feel like D is wrong? Just from the wording, I feel like D is wrong. Nilai U bertambah menyebabkan nilai V berkurang. What do you guys think? Hanna spec this for star. Yeah. Nilai U bertambah menyebabkan nilai V berkurang. What is U and V again? U object distance U, image distance V. Nilai U bertambah menyebabkan nilai V berkurang. Image distance. And then to determine the focal length. Could it be A? Nilai U berkurang menyebabkan nilai V bertambah. But it's going further though. So if it's going further, then it should be increase, no? Maybe B is not right. Nilai F meningkat kerana kanta menghasilkan image yang lebih kecil. What is F? Mana datang F? Oh. Focal length. F. Is it A or is it C? Rasa ada formula untuk ni. Hey, what's your tip for kertas 3? I don't even remember what kertas 3 is. I have not taken SPM in a long time. It's best to ask the teacher. I'm only answering physics questions for fun. Okay, let's see. Cahaya and optics. N? What is N? Mana datang N? Ni C, ni V. Bro, even when I look at the formula, I don't understand anything. Because I don't remember what each letter represents. Back then, maybe I remember. But now, I don't remember. Shit, bro. Okay, maybe this one. We have to use this one. The 1 over F equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. So... I don't know. What question was that again? This one. I don't know, but I feel like it's A. Can we just answer A? Because A makes the most sense to me. Yeah. B is kind of confusing. Number 18. Diagram 14 shows a convex lens used in an astronomical telescope. The focal length of the objective lens and the eyepiece are f0 and fm. Oh my god, just reading the question makes me so sleepy. Respectively, and L is the distance between the objective lens and the eyepiece. Tentukan jarak di antara kanta objek dan kanta mata bagi menghasilkan image yang paling jelas. Hah? Apa? Apa ni? Kanta mata. Okay, what is FO, FM, and L? Focal length of objective lens. Eyepiece. focal length of the objective and the eyepiece. L is the distance between the objective lens. This is L. Okay. L equals to F0 plus Fm. Could it be C? I don't know. Why do I feel like it's C? I mean, logically, it kind of looks like C. L equals to FO plus FM. I'm definitely skipping these questions in trial, but these are the kind of questions that are kind of easy to... I don't know. It depends on you, I guess. If you're the kind of person who has logical thinking, then maybe this could be easier for you to answer. Especially if you suck at calculation, like Hanna. Yeah, I would prefer to ace more on these kind of questions rather than the calculation questions because I suck at calculating. This is more like logical, I guess. Maybe a little bit of calculation, but not exactly. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I feel like it's C. Next question. 19. Diagram 15 shows an object is placed at a distance of 2f in front of a concave mirror, which f is focal length. Oh my god, I feel like the more I go through these kind of questions, right, the more I don't understand anything. Every single thing represents something that I don't know. F is what? Focal length. Okay. 2f. Object placed at a distance is 2f. Okay. Object. Apakah sifat image yang terbentuk? This is a concave mirror. Nyata. Mirror. Virtual, upright, bigger than object. Could it be inverted? I don't know. Just draw it. Calculation is pretty easy except for form 5 but 1. No idea what chapter is that, to be honest. For concave mirror, every reflected line goes through the focal point. Is this the focal point? So it's like that and this. What do you guys think is the answer for this? What is the characteristics of the image form? Virtual, upright, bigger than object. Real, inverted, same size as the object. Which one? Why do I feel like it's inverted? Okay. I feel like it could be inverted if we go through a concave mirror. Yeah. Concave mirror could be inverted. So I don't think it's A. It's because it's upright. So it's either B, C, or D. Now we have to know if it's the same size or bigger. Yang pasti nyata. Wow. This one is virtual. Okay, this one is real. Is bro for real studying? Bro! Oh, maybe you're new. It's okay. I have passed through SPM like a long time ago. So basically I'm just doing this for fun. Yeah. I left physics for such a long time. So I guess I just, I don't know, wanna torture myself. I don't even know why I'm doing this kind of content. But yeah, just want to refresh my memory. Oh my god, physics, not really a favorite subject of mine. Yep. One go to the mirror, then go through F, another go through F, then reflect on the mirror. That does not answer anything! What do you think is the answer? B, C, or D? Sama size, lebih kecil. Pew, pew, pew. What is same size? B? You guys think it's B? Can draw? Let me draw you something. Try to guess what I'm drawing. What is this? What do you guys think this is? Is dark web Doraemon? Doraemon, but dark web. Now try to guess what I'm drawing. Next one. I forgot how they look. Look like this. Who's this? Jinja, yes. I tried. I actually forgot how they look. Oh, okay, that's one. Who is this? Who is this? Cuba buat bunyi SpongeBob sikit. I don't know if that's how SpongeBob sounds like. Yeah. SpongeBob! Did you guys know the first character that I have ever drawn is actually SpongeBob? Before I became, basically SpongeBob is the pioneer is the reason why I got, I got into drawing. It was because of SpongeBob. Thanks, SpongeBob. Backbencher confirmed. What? Granted, I usually just draw around characters so I can draw a Voltorb, a Ghastly. What the heck is that? Thank you, SpongeBob. Thank you, SpongeBob, for making Hanna an artist. Without you, I couldn't have come this far. So the answer, yeah, definitely, I feel like it could be B. B for Bob. SpongeBob, yeah. Sponge me boy. I don't know what's the correlation, but SpongeBob is like S. There's no S, so we go for the next letter. B, Bob, so B. Next question. Diagram 16 shows a man standing on an electric balance in an elevator. Choose the correct... Wait a minute. I feel like they always give this kind of question. Chat. If you are gonna take, if you're gonna take physics, right? SPM Physics or trial, whatever lah. This question is very popular, I feel like during my time, I also got this kind of question. Always. Choose the correct statement when the elevator is moving up at a uniform velocity. The reading of electronic balance is 0. The reading of electronic balance is unchanged. Excuse me. The reading of electronic balance decrease. The reading of electronic balance increase. What do you guys think is the answer? Lalaki itu nampak sejuk. Tak ada lah jawapan tu. Lalaki tu nampak sejuk, tak ada. SpongeBob is S tier, that's for sure. Increase, no? Let me try imagine. Kalau kita naik atas, kan, ni elevator, right? Naik atas. So basically kita turun bawah lah kan. Velocity. Apa? Momentum? Well, inertia. Inertia. I still remember that though. Inertia, even though the lift go up, right? Let's say this is the lift, and then but our body is actually here, like not really going down lah, but I don't know how to explain it. So that's the same theory that we can use when we ride a car. You know how we press the brakes and then our body just jerk like that. inertia. I don't know how that's applicable to this one. I'm just trying to make a connection here. If velocity the same, there's no acceleration. So no change, I think. No change? Zero. Kenapa dia tak naik escalator? Cik, kenapa... Let me just draw a microphone. Cik, kenapa tak naik escalator? Kenapa nak naik lift? Tahu tak, lift ni sebenarnya priority untuk orang-orang yang bawa baby, bawa stroller, orang tua, OKU. Kenapa menyusahkan orang? Kenapa tak naik je escalator? Sebab boleh. Okay. The reading is greater than your true weight. You feel heavier. If accelerating, then yes, right? But it's not accelerating. It's a uniform velocity. So does that mean the reading is not zero lah? The reading balance is unchanged. It could be B. Yeah. Gila lah kalau naik lift tu laju. You know what? I want to share with you guys something. My number one fear is falling in an elevator. Have you guys ever go through that, like have a dream where you fall in an elevator, like the elevator menjunam ke bawah? I always have that kind of nightmare where I hate it when I dream I'm in an elevator and the elevator just free falls. Like, oh shit, I'm gonna die. I always get that nightmare. So like even when I go to malls or anything, right? I mean, I do use the elevator, but I still have that fear of the elevator suddenly malfunction or drop. Dia tengah standing aura farming. Dia tengah tutup dia punya kukucel. Tak nak orang nampak. So when you go up, your inertial force, or in this case gravity, is pushing down as the opposite force of you going up. So does that mean the reading is unchanged? Right? Because the velocity is uniform? Oh wait, yeah, it's uniform, so it must be zero change, right? Yeah. I feel like it's that. I feel like it's B. Lucky my nightmares usually involve me waking up and seeing a man in a hat with glowing green eyes staring at me. That's kinda cute. What kind of glowing green eye man? Is it a toyon? That's how they film zero gravity in movies. They crash the plane and you go free fall. Well, I hate free falling. I feel like it's not just elevators. Even falling from a building. Have you guys ever dreamt that you fell from a very high place and then you wake up with, like, I don't know, increased heart rate? Like your heart is going do da. I hope. Some people say there's a meaning behind it. Wait, suddenly we're going to dreams. What meaning of dream? Meaning of free fall dream. We're not even doing physics right now. Free falling in dreams is a very common experience, often tied to feelings of being out of control, insecurity, or anxiety in your waking life. However, it can also represent letting go of control, a major life transition, or even a sense of liberation. I don't feel liberated when I'm falling from a building. I feel like I'm gonna die. Hana pernah jatuh katil? Maybe pernah, tapi tak ingat. Jarang lah Hana jatuh katil. Hana ada set jawapan ke untuk paper ni, untuk check nanti? Ada, nanti kita check sama-sama, okay? I'm sorry, I'm just like yapping and moving to a different questions. Technically, we are doing physics. Dream physics. You know what? You're right. Free falling is physics in a way, I suppose. Yeah, kan? You ever tried those almost free fall slide that's like 70 degrees? No! Why would I do that? Hell nah. I don't want to feel like go into a stimulation where I fall. Nah. I guess I'm kind of scared of heights. Are you guys scared of heights? Am I scared of heights? Or I'm just scared of falling? I mean, who isn't scared of falling, right? I've been to, you know, the cable car at Langkawi. It's so damn steep though. Have you guys been to Langkawi? The cable cars there is so It's so steep though. Almost 90 degree. Okay, not really 90 degree, but very high. And I was pretty chill about it, pretty relaxed. While my brother was crying his eyeballs out. But yeah, I don't think, maybe I'm more scared of free falling than I'm scared of heights. Scared of falling, probably. Yeah. It's like that Christopher Nolan movie, Inception. Hana can try parachute. No. No thank you, it's okay. Next question. Diagram 17 shows a force. F is exerted by a single cable to lift a log. Oh, that's a log. Pilihan yang manakah menunjukkan daya paduan menegak bagi situasi di atas? Which of the following shows the vertical net force of the above situation? F. F. F? F? F. Yes. What is the answer? F. F. F? F. Maybe like Fy plus the... no idea. What's the following is the vertical net force of the above situation? Vertical. Vertical is straight going upwards, right? So it's Fy, I think. So... See? Okay, see. Next question. I'm too tired to use my brain at this point. Diagram 18 shows a graph of the relationship between the extension of a spring X and the force applied to a string. Gabungan manakah yang betul? X berkadar terus dengan F. X increase linearly with F. Pemboleh ubah bergerak balas. F berkadar terus dengan X. F bertambah secara linear dengan X. Engkau? Apa ni? What's the answer? Antara pemanjangan spring, pemboleh ubah bergerak balas. Responding variable. I feel that the responding variable is X. I think. Yeah, responding. The force, the length of the spring is responding to F, so I don't think it's C. I don't think it's D. Bertambah secara linear. X is directly proportional to F. X increase linearly with F. A? I feel like it's A. Could be A. Responding variable is always yang arrow ke atas. Are you sure? Responding pemboleh ubah bergerak balas. Responding variable. Responding variable is when you put a variable and then it corresponds. So let's say the variable that changed is F. You put more force into it. So when you put more force to it, X will respond to this. So that's why it's called responding variable. If you want to understand it from a linguistic yeah, from a linguistic perspective. Responding variable. So responding variable is X. Yeah. And then the relationship, is it directly proportional or X increase linearly with F? I feel like it's A. A, yeah, let's go A. Okay, 23. The fuck is this? Diagram 19 shows three U2 filled with liquids W, X, Y, and Z. Given that the density... Fuck. For calculation... Kira. Berapa chat? What is the answer for this? They want calculate the height of the column in liquid Z. Z? Z? The height of this. What is the height? Okay, let's just... Okay, this is 14.7. If we just if I don't use my calculator, right, and I just use my visual powers, it's not that much. It's not that much, okay? So it could not be... This is 16, right? Yeah, this is 16. So it could not be 16.9 or... Yeah, it could not be 16.9. 15, it could not be 15. It's higher, then it's not A, then it's C. Am I right? I don't know. I don't know. Is it? Wait. This is H. We're trying to find this part, right? This part. If we use it like this, 60.9. Are you sure? I don't know. I'm too lazy to calculate right now. Okay, I'm just using the visuals as my guide. If you look at it, this is 15, right? But when we compare it, this is slightly higher, so it could not be 15. This is 16.5. But 16.5? So can it be lower than 16.5? So it's not D? I don't know. Ini, mini, mini, mo. Mana satu jawapan yang betul? Oh, B. B. You cannot just estimate. Yes, I can! Because I'm not the one who's taking physics, so it's fine. But you guys who are actually taking SPM Physics, then you guys have to calculate. I don't have to worry about this. I'm just doing this for fun. Ini, mini, mini, mo. Mana satu jawapan yang betul? Macam tak betul je. Mana satu jawapan yang betul? Is it B? Or whatever lah. Anyways, next question. Diagram 20 shows a simple water barometer. Oh my god. Which of the following physical quantities measured by H? Is it tekanan atmosfera? Kan? It becomes like this because of the pressure of the atmosphere surrounding it. That's why when it pushed the water, the surface of the water, and the water just goes bloop like that. I feel like it's D. Diagram 21 shows a manometer, manometernya, connected to a balloon filled with gas. Which of the following statement is correct? Balon berisi gas. This is mercury. Hujung terbuka. Tekanan gas equals to Tekanan gas plus tekanan atmosfera equals to... What is HPG, bro? Ini, mini, mani, mo. Mana satu jawapan yang betul untuk soalan nombor 25? B ke jawapan dia? Would it be B? Okay. You guys try to figure it out. Okay? I've used enough of my brain cells tonight, so I'm gonna let you guys answer this. Tekanan gas HPG. Tekanan gas plus tekanan atmosfera equals to HPG. Tekanan gas plus HPG equals to tekanan atmosphere. I don't think this C. Tekanan gas equals to tekanan atmosphere. What is HPG, bro? Tekanan gas equals to HPG. What is HPG? Does anyone know what it is? Is it in the formula? Pressure. What is it? Pressure! Oh, pressure. Okay, pressure. Pressure is HPG. Tekanan gas equals to tekanan atmosfera. I don't know. Hours. Bukan HPG. Google. I don't know how to Google this. Emprek. Emprek. The only MPG I know is Emprek. Other than that, I don't know. What is this? HPG, what is that? It's P. What is P? Pressure. HPG. HPG centimeters of mercury. Oh! Pressure of the mercury, is it? Ah! Okay, then what's the answer? Could it be B? Could it be B? Ini, mini, mini, mo. Mana satu jawapan yang betul untuk soalan 25? D. 26. Diagram 22 shows a man floating on the surface of water using a kayak. Kayak. Which relationship between physical quantities is correct to explain the situation above? Weight of water displaced equals to weight of man plus weight of kayak. A sounds reasonable. Weight of water displaced is bigger. I feel like... Is it weight or is it volume? Maybe weight. Volume of man. Could it be A? I feel like it's A. Pressure balloon, height of mercury plus atmospheric pressure. Tekanan gas. Tekanan gas is the pressure of balloon lah. Height of mercury and atmospheric pressure. Yeah. I mean, based on what you said, I think it's D. Gas pressure. Gas pressure is the balloon lah. Balloon. This is a balloon. I'm sorry. It looks kind of like a mushroom. Number 27. Diagram 23 shows the flow of water through a venturi tube. Tube manakah yang mempunyai paras air yang paling rendah? Aliran udara. Sekejap, nak fikir. D? Or A? It could be between A or D, chat. 27. Sebab sini aliran udara paling tinggi. Kat sini pula aliran udara paling rendah. So, if aliran udara kat sini paling tinggi, right? Shouldn't there be more pressure and the water is like pushed down? If you want to think it that way. No? Whereas the aliran udara here mungkin dah kurang lah. So, the water can go easily out because less pressure. No? What is the question? This is the question. Which tube has the lowest water level? Why do I feel like it's A? Aliran udara. So when we tiup, right? We tiup, and then there's more pressure here because there's more aliran udara here. So the water will go down because it's being pushed down by the aliran udara, the airflow. Whereas there is less airflow here because it has been distributed around here. And water can easily go up because there's less pressure. Kan, low pressure equals to high water level. So I think it's A. 28. A has the lowest, no? How is it the lowest when there's more airflow here? How is it more airflow equals to less pressure? 28. Which of the following statements describe the potential difference between 2 points? Stress nak dengar benda ni. Current flow is 1A when 1V is applied. Saya nak hentam sajalah. Ini, mini, mini, mo. Mana satu jawapan yang betul untuk soalan 28? D. Okay, you guys try to answer. I'm at that point where I am too lazy to use my brain because my brain only left one cell at this point. Not enough energy to even form a thought. Could you please say the question? Which of the following Which of the following statements describe the potential difference between 2 points? A. Current flows is 1A when 1V is applied across 2 points. B. Power released between 2 points when 1C charge is flow. C. Energy transferred between 2 points when 1C charge is flow. D. Energy released between 2 points when 1A current flow through 2 points. No idea what I said. What is that? What does that mean? I have no idea what that is. V, A, C. Ini, mini, mini, mo. Mana satu jawapan yang betul untuk soalan 28? Salah je. Ini, mini, mani, mo. Mana satu jawapan? If in doubt, just answer A. There's like conflicting answers in the chat. B, C, A. What do you guys think it's the answer? Joules released per column across 2 points in a circuit. You think it's B? C? Okay, there's 2 people that answer C, so I'm gonna answer C. 29. Diagram 24 shows 3 resistors connected in a circuit. Okay. Apakah bacaan ammeter apabila switch ditutup? Also, this is the switch. When the switch is closed, so that means it's kind of confusing, right? When it says it's closed, you think there won't be anything going on. It's like you think it's like open like this, right? But it's actually like this, closed. I think. Yeah. So, what is it? Fuck. This needs calculation. Someone calculate. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 8. 8 plus 4. 12. A, C, what's Y? What's Y? Wait, let's see if there's a formula for this that maybe I can somewhat use. Where is it? Electricity. Okay. We have R. We have... Is it this one? There's no V though. R, V, A... V equals IR. Oh, betul lah. V equals to IR. So I is the... Where is it? I is this, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4. 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12. And then 6 bagi dengan 12. 6 divided by 12. The answer is 0.5. A. Kan? C? Mana dapat C? I thought that you use V equals to IR, no? R is the resistance. The resistance is this. So 4 plus 4, or because it's separated. Oh, is it? I don't know what I'm thinking. So I is the one we try to search for, right? So it's C, 6 I, and then R, 3 amps. How is it 3 amps? Oh, is it because we bahagi 3? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. 12 bagi 3. Tah. Apa dia? Macam mana kau dapat? 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2, 1 over 4. So it's like 4 plus 1 over 2, is it? 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. We got 1 over 2. 2. D? So this one kita bahagi 2, is it? 8 4 tambah 4, and then 6 bagi 4. 1.5. Mana ada 1.5? Lah, untuk resistor yang parallel 1 over R equals to 1R plus 1R2. Okay, jap. So this is 1 over 4 tambah 1 over 4. So that's like 1 over 2, right? So 1 over R equals to 1 over 2. So R equals to 2. R equals to 2. So kita tambah 4 tambah 2. Lepas tu bagi nak. Is it C? Is it C? C eh? 4 is ignored because the current flow to switch and not resistor. D? Ah! Apa ni? D? 4 is ignored because current flow to switch and not resistor. Dia tak pergi resistor? Why? Why? I thought it's C. Emitter is symbol A. Yeah, I know emitter is the A. But someone answered. Someone said it's D. Why? Because resistant is block. Resist current. No idea what that means. Okay, let's just do a poll. Let's do a poll. 29. Is it C or is it C or is it D? It's either that. So switch is like easier current. Current wants to take easy path. So mana path yang paling easy dia lalu kat situ lah. So since ni ada resistance, dia macam susah ha. So dia lalu dekat switch instead. Is that what you're trying to say? Kan? So dia lalu dia macam susah sini, so dia lalu sini. Tapi kalau kat sini, dia macam terpaksa melalui dua benda ni. And dua benda ni bersamaan dengan dua. Dia punya resistance dia. So, if let's say we ignore this, then we get R equals to 2. Then, I bersamaan dengan 6 bagi 2, 3. Is that why? Macam tu ah. Oh gitu ke? I mean, kind of makes sense. Makes sense. But a lot of you guys answer C though. But I understand what you guys are trying to say. Oh, so when the switch is on, the electricity will go through here instead of 4. But when it's, let's say it's open like this, then it has no choice but to go through here lah. But this one, it as switch ditutup. So basically when switch ditutup is tutup macam ni lah. So when dia tutup macam ni, kenapa dia nak lalu sini kan? Dia lalulah sini sebab lagi senang. Gitu. D then. Okay, we're at number 30. And okay, let's try to get this done in like 20 minutes, okay? What is meant by electromotive force? The work done by a charge in a circuit. The work done by 1 coulomb of charge in a circuit. C. The work done by a source of energy to move a charge around a complete circuit. D. The work done by a source of energy to move 1 coulomb of charge in a complete circuit. Dah lah, Google je. Electromotive force. The maximum potential energy per unit charge supplied by an energy source. Tak sama pun. Apa jawapan dia? Kerja yang dilakukan oleh charge dalam liter. Maximum potential energy per unit charge supplied by an energy source. Apa tu? Apa tu? The work done by a source of energy to move 1 coulomb of charge in a Hanna rasa sekejap, mana statement yang paling panjang kat sini? Statement ni pendek sangat. B pun pendek. C dengan D macam lebih kurang, tapi D lebih panjang. Kerja yang dilakukan macam D, sebab dia paling panjang kat sini. Seterusnya 31. Diagram 25 shows an electric cooker with a label 24 volts 400 watts. Apakah yang dimaksudkan dengan 400 watts? Kadar perubahan tenaga. Kadar perubahan... A. The rate of change of power is 400 watts. B. The rate of change of energy is 400. Excuse me. C. The rate of change of voltage is 400. D. The rate of change of current. Is D right? Is it not D? Why is it B? I thought that it's D. Perubahan tenaga? Rate of change of energy. Apakah yang dimaksudkan dengan... what is power? What is the unit for A? Is it ampere? Unit for ammeter? Oh, A. Amp. Oh. So it's B? Okay. Oh wait, let me just end this poll. Next one. 32. Diagram 26 shows a current carrying conductor placed between two magnetic poles. UN, A, B, C, D harus keluar as magnet. Antara which of the directions A, B, C, and D is the direction of motion of the conductor? Is it C? Could it be C? Because the magnet is there. What? What is the answer? Current out. Masa untuk guna tangan. Oh! Wait. Macam mana? What's it called? Masuk dalam page. I remember that. Current. I forgot. Hand rule. Like this. Current, motion, field, and then the field. Oh, even when I look at this, I don't understand. Is it B? Left? Fleming ke tangan kanan? Fleming hand rule, right? Nicole. Fleming hand rule. Tangan kiri ke tangan kanan, chat? Fleming hand rule. Ni ada left. Left ah? Mana satu ni? Left or right? Tangan kiri. Okay, tangan kiri. So, if we use tangan kiri, right? Okay, we use it like that. I'm trying to point it like that. Okay. Then, force you kat sini. Then, does that mean it's B? Kinda looks like B. We're throwing gang signs while doing physics. Yeah. B. I think it's B. Based on the Fleming rule, Fleming hand rule, whatever. B. Number 32. Diagram 27 shows an ideal transformer use a light up a bulb at a normal brightness. 24 watts. Blah, 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 blah. Berapakah arus IP? Berapa arus dia? What do we have? Transformers. Transformers. What is the function of a transformer anyway? Is it to like amplify? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of a transformer? Steps up, increase or step down AC voltage between circuits. Okay. So I guess it increase it. So transform voltan. To transform voltan, formula of number of coils in transformer. Nak kena kira ke? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ni 8 ni 9. Ada memberi apa-apa maksud ke? Is to increase or decrease depends on increase or decrease number of coils. So if the coils increase, does that mean it increase? My brain, it's fried. Berapakah arus IP? Ini, mini, mani, mo. Mana satu jawapan yang betul untuk soalan nombor 33? P ke? Is it P? Jalan je. Okay. Kita B lah. Tak tahulah betul ke tidak. A34. Diagram 28 shows the main structure. Aku makin lama aku buat soalan fizik ni makin bodoh rasanya. Dah tak faham dah apa yang berlaku kat sini. Apa aku buat ni? A Maltese cross tube that switched on and connected to a EHT6V power supply. What is the function of the parts labeled XYZ? Entahlah nak. Tak tahulah. Apa jawapan dia? Apa dia nak? What is the function of the part labeled XYZ? X is... X menghasilkan sinar katot. B. Menjadi panas dan memanaskan katot. C. Menghasilkan sinar katot. Thank you for the gift membership. Ojiko, arigato. Siapa dapat? That one. Arigato. Welcome. Menjadi panas dan memanaskan katot. Menghasilkan sinar. Y. Memecut elektron pada kelajuan tinggi. Memfokus elektron pada skrin. I feel entahlah. Tak tahu dah. A atau C? Menghasilkan sinar. C rasanya. Tapi takkanlah dia menghasilkan sinar. Dia mesti panas kan? Ya, menjadi panas dan memanaskan katot. I think it's either B or D lah. B atau D. What is that? Bayang-bayang or shadow. Menukar tenaga kinetik kepada tenaga haba dan cahaya. Menukar, sama je. Okay, never mind. So the difference here is Y. Memfokuskan elektron pada skrin. Memecut elektron pada kelajuan tinggi. Memfokuskan elektron pada skrin. Memecut elektron pada kelajuan tinggi. It could be D because it sounds more sophisticated. Yeah, memfokuskan ni it sounds less sophisticated. D is more sophisticated. See? Are you sure? I don't think it's menghasilkan sinar lah. This part, I feel like ia panas. Dia jadi panas. Instead of menghasilkan sinar because it's just a bunch of coils. Ia tak menghasilkan sinar. I feel like it hottens it. So, if you want to compare B and D because it has the same X, memfokuskan elektron pada skrin. Memecut sounds more sophisticated, so I feel like it's D. Never mind. Which of the following shows the correct arrangement of a full wave rectification circuit? The fuck? Apa ni, cak? Apa kono eja? Banyaknya angin aku malam ni. Okay dah. Ta-na-na-na. Which of the following is the correct arrangement of a full wave rectification? Why do they all look the same? Aren't they the same thing? OSKCRO. Oh, this one is like this. It's like this. Dia macam ni. This one is like this and like this. I don't know if you guys understand. Untuk ni basically semua segitiga kena hadap arah sama. Oh, so this one dia macam ni. So dia tak sama. Ni dia macam ni and dia macam entahlah. Entahlah nak macam salah je. Ini macam ni. Ini macam ni. Betul ke aku buat ni? Ikut. Ni macam ni. Apa yang sama? Ini macam ni. Ini macam ni. Entah. D. Sebab DJ unik. A. Kita tembak. Sekejap, Hana tembak. Mana yang Hana tekan, itulah jawapan dia. Apa aku tekan? Sekejap, best mula. Hana tekan. Warna merah lah, nampak sikit. Kita guna besar sikit. A. Jawapan A. Itu jawapan dia. 36. Diagram 29 shows a light control switch circuit used to turn on the 3 lights and a buzzer. Which of the following happens to the value of VPPC, IB, and IC during the day? Choose the correct combination. The fuck is this? Hana suka huruf apa? Hana suka huruf A. A for ayam gepuk. Tapi B pun okey juga. B for what? B for buffet. C for chicken. D for what does D stand for? D for dango. I don't like dango. Saya suka buffet. D for ayam gepuk set D. Menarik juga tu. Tapi sebenarnya kalau Hana order ayam gepuk kan, I always go for A or B because it's cheaper. I don't really like the Kobe's goreng. Kobe's goreng not too good for me. D for donut. D for dumb. As in, Hana is so dumb. Yes. Let's... Wow, what is this? Yeah. Set D suka hati and hempedal. Oh, pedal. Pedal. Hana suka huruf apa mana yang paling cantik kat sini? Hana rasa huruf B macam cantik. Sebab B ni tak tahulah, dia macam curvy gitu. It looks curvy. Whereas C, dia macam berlubang sangat. So I don't like. Whereas D, it looks like it's pregnant. I don't want to be pregnant. So D is not for me. A feels too masculine. You know, it looks like a guy who's like sitting at an MRT and he likes to men spread like that. I hate it when men sit like that, bro. Why do men spread like that? Don't tell me you have big dicks, because I'm pretty sure most of you guys have small dicks. Stop sitting like this at MRT. It's freaking annoying, and it reminds me of the letter A. So I don't know. What am I talking about? C, I don't know. C feels too holes. Too many holes. Like, what do you mean I can't enter from here? You know, C feels so vulnerable for me. Like, you can enter from here. Enter what? I don't know. I don't want to explain. So when you enter here, you become D. D for pregnant. You know, you become like a pregnant mother. I don't want to become a pregnant mother. So I feel like B is fine lah. Because B kind of looks like a top view of my boobs. So B is the answer. I'm not sure if it's correct or not, but I just like the letter B. 37. In an experiment to determine the half-life of a radioactive isotope, the following results were obtained. What is the approximate half-life of the isotope? Entahlah. Entahlah nak. Apa soalan 37 ni? C and D side view. B for boba. B for boba. Berapakah anggaran separuh hayat isotop tersebut? Separuh hayat. Okay, so for 410, separuh daripada dia bersamaan dengan berapa? Bagi 2. 410 bagi 2 bersamaan dengan 205. 2 tak betul ke tidak aku buat ni? So it's around 2 minutes. Entah. Let's go for B because B is so pretty. 38. Antara tindak balas nukleus berikut yang manakah merupakan contoh pembelahan? Pembelahan? Tengok sekejap. Mana yang membelah kat sini? Ni macam tak membelah je. Ini macam menambah. Ini pun macam menambah. Tapi ini macam membelah. Okay, 38. Apakah faktor yang mempengaruhi arus fotoelektrik? What is a factor that affect the photoelectric current? The fuck is a photoelectric current? Frequency of photon? Intensity of photon? Temperature of metal? Work function of metal? What is a photoelectric anyway? Is it like a camera? Photoelectric. Oh, that's not a camera. That does not look like a camera at all. So, I mean, the only words that I can find that are similar to the question is B or C. So, I don't think it's A, I don't think it's D. So, it's either B, because it has the word photon. So, is it the frequency of photon? Or is it the intensity of photon? Frequency or is it intensity? It's either B or C. Maybe intensity. Okay, let's go for intensity because Mott says so. 40. A metal with a work function of 3.424 times 10 negative 19J is shown by a light of wavelength 3.8 times 10 What is the maximum kinetic energy of an emitted photoelectron? Malah lah nak kira. 3.4 boleh tak bagi je? Bagi ke? Kita tembak ah. 1, 2, 3. E equals to HF. E equals to HF. H is 6.63. C is F. Let's calculate 6.63 times 3. 6.63 times 3. 19. I feel like C is like the closest. You know what answer I got? I got 19.89. 19.89. So the closest that I can get is C. Is it C? I got 19.89. The closest I can get is C, 1.99. I mean, if you round off, it becomes 1.19.9. Yeah. I don't know. Let's just go. Yeah. Let's check the questions. We are done. We are done with tonight's torture. It's already 12 a.m. So let's try and see the answers. Let me just pull out the answers. Where is it? Kereta satu. Oh, schema. Schema. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, where did it go? Okay, there it is. Anna used the formula E equals to W plus K. What is W? What is K? There is no point giving me a formula if I don't understand what the letters mean. What is W? What is K? What is that? What is it? Do I plus 3.424? What? Okay, never mind. Okay, let's check the answers then. F is hertz. You can use 1 over C. Yalah tu. Tak apalah, asalkan kita lulus. Lulus dah memadai. So, kita kena dapat at least 20 per 40 lah, okay? Okay, let's see what is the answer. 1 is D, okay, betul. 2 is C, betul. 3 is B, oh betul juga. 4 is C. Betul! I told you guys. Siapa tadi cakap B? I said it's C. Perbezaan, the difference in total momentum before and after collision is 0. But no, you guys said it's conserved. There we got wrong. Your fault. Nah, it's okay. We got wrong. The answer is C. Number 5 is B. Okay. Number 6 is C. Okay. 7 is C. 8 is A. 9 is A. Wow, not too bad, not too bad. 10 is B. 11 is B. 12 is... What is 12? 12 is D. 13 is A. What else? 14 D. 15 is A. 16 is C. 17 is A. Banyak juga kita jawab betul ni. 18 is C. 19 is... Oh, ni dah part kat sini Hanna dah macam tak malas. 19 is B. Oh, at least we got it right. 20 is B. 21 is C. We got C ah. Wah. Hanna rasa Hanna tembak je untuk this question. Okay dah, lulus. Boleh tidur. 22 is A. 23 is... Oh, this is yang Hanna main tembak je tadi. 23 is D. What? How is that D? How is it 16.9 when this is 16.5 but you draw it like this, bro? Why? Why? That's bullshit. 24 is D. 25, image not to scale. But at least make it logical. Ni kalau buat dekat kertas exam ni, dapat markah kosong Iba. 25 is... What is 25? Ini yang I don't understand so much. 25 is... it's actually D. Okay, that's good, that's good. 26 is A. 27... this one is tricky. 27 is A! Yeah! I knew it. Because the air pressure is higher here than it is here. So water gonna be pushed down. 28 is C. This one I don't know. I don't know how we got right for this one. 29, I think you guys helped me with this. 29 is D. Whoa! This is actually correct! 29 is D. 30 is D. I feel like this is the question that I main tembak je because it has the longest description. Kadang-kadang bila kita tembak, menjadi juga 31 is B. Okay, this one you guys help. 32, the Fleming thing. 32, what is B? 33, ni Hana tak tahu. 33 jawapan dia. This one is A. Ni dah tembak dah. It's A. 34. What did I answer for this? D. 34 D. Oh yeah, it's D. 34. I knew it. It has to be panas kan? Because I don't think it's sinar kan? 35. This one also I don't know. 35 A. Bro, this one also I tembak, you know. You see this? Bukti Hana tembak. Bukti Hana tembak menjadi. Dapat A. Lah. So we are actually smart. We are smart at menembak. 35 A. 36. Nah, this one I main tiba je. 36 jawapan dia. It's C. It's the letter that has a hole. No. This one salah. It's C. 37 is B. Ni pun Hana main tembak je. Hana main tembak je ni. 37 hebat juga Hana menembak. 38 is D. 39 is C. Ni you guys tolong. 40 is... 40 is B. This is wrong. Padahal dah macam berdekatan lah. It's actually B. Okay, let's kira 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Tepu dah otak. Itu. This is why I don't take physics after during my degree. I don't take physics anymore. 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. 5. Mana lagi? 5. 6. Okay, so we got 6 wrong. So that's like 34. Hey, not too bad. 34 over 40. Lulus. Dah boleh dapat A. Nice. I expected us to fail, not gonna lie. Last one. Ni adalah berkat daripada tembak-menembak dan daripada korang lah. Sebab tolong Hana. Kalau tak Hana rasa mungkin Hana dapat lebih sikit daripada ni tadi. Dah boleh tidur Dah boleh tidur. Next stream buat paper tu. Tak apalah. Terima kasih sajalah. Selamat tinggal. Saya dah tak nak dah jawab soalan fizik. Tak apalah. Awak buat sendiri. Nanti bagi tahu Hana. Okey ke tak? Sifu ajarin Sifu. Sifu. Awak manggil saya Sifu. Sifu pun tak tahu apa-apa. Next bio pula. Itu kan kita dah jawab bio. We already answered. We already did like SPM biology, to be honest. Okay, let me just Where the heck did the chat go? Okay. Let me just adjust. Yeah, okay. We're done for today. Penat macam mana? Okay tak? Rasa tepu tak? If convert to 100 is 85 over 100. Not too bad, right? Thank you! YT Dungo for the 450! Ice cream! Ice cream! Do you speak Tagalog? No. Do I sound Filipino? But no, I don't speak Tagalog. I speak Malay, English, just a little of Japanese. Just a little, not too much. Nihongo jozu janai. Otak saya dah hangus. Belum buat kertas 2 lagi. Tak apalah, salam lah. Assalamualaikum je lah. Terima kasih. Buatlah sendiri. Hanna, jangan libatkan Hanna. Ada buat SPM prinsip perakaunan. The thing is, I've never took perakaunan. My stream back then was science stream, so tak ada ambil account. Mostly it was physics, bio, sejarah, math, kimia. We have not done chemistry SPM though. Maybe we could do that after this. But the thing is, I feel like chemistry also requires a lot of calculation. Jom buat ujian bertutur next. What the heck? What is ujian bertutur though? What kind of ujian do you guys do? Just like yap? I mean, if it just involves yapping, then I guess I can join that. But if my yapping has to have context or legit information, I don't think I'm the perfect person for that. They included accounting into my science? Really? I thought like you can choose what kind of subjects you can take. I mean, you can drop it if you want. No? Maybe it's your school? Chemistry paper 1 next. Yeah, maybe we can do chemistry after this. Next 3 maybe BM. BM ah! Ya Tuhan, boleh buat BM tapi nanti Hanna just jawab macam ni. Let's say buat essay. Bapakku pergi, bapakku belikan kereta, kereta kecil warna merah, boleh ku bawa ke sekolah. La 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 la. Kereta kecilku berbunyi, marilah adik, mari naik. Boleh ku bawa rumah nenek. That's probably gonna be my essay. Pada pasca kemerdekaan, pada zaman pasca kemerdekaan, pada era globalisasi ini, bapa saya belikan saya kereta merah, kereta kecil warna merah. Pom 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 pom. Kereta kecilku berbunyi, marilah adik, mari naik, boleh ku bawa, jumpa nenek. Sekian, terima kasih, Hanna Raevan. Ya, lepas tu dapat A. So in taking A-level biology, physics, chemistry, and further mathematics, isn't that kind of like what they took in like pre-university? Saya sebuah kereta kecil berwarna merah. Saya sebatang pen. Saya dihasilkan di sebuah kilang bernama Swan. Saya pensel berwarna merah. Oh my god. My least favorite subject was definitely BM, even though I speak BM every day. That's like my mother tongue. But having to study the formal way of speaking Bahasa Melayu is so difficult. So difficult. There's a lot of words that I've never heard of that I don't really use in my day-to-day basis. And it kind of get confusing, especially when it comes to spelling. Yeah, I don't recall that at SPM Bahasa Malaysia. That's just an essay. Saya sebuah kereta kecil berwarna merah. Rumusan ini membincangkan tentang entah. Hanna tak ambil art course dalam science stream kan? Nah, I didn't take art. Dah jam 12. Izin tidur dulu ya, Hanna takut lewat bangun. Bye-bye. Lagi-lagi bahagian sastra. Betul. Tapi my least favorite was definitely the essay part lah. kena buat surat lah, kena buat tu lah. I hate writing essays. Sakit dua tangan after that. Having to write for almost, I think, 2 hours 30 minutes to answer one paper, kertas 2 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And you have to write 2,000 words or so. I don't remember, but it was a lot. Apa ni? Classic BM tak pernah pass kat sini. Classic BM. Twin, my language subject is low-key hardest subject you can take. What language subject? And sejarah uses that formal format which makes it harder to understand. Yeah. Typo aku macam daijoubu. Betul, lepas tu typo nak kena padam lagi. Lagi-lagi time tu kan kita guna pen. Lepas tu nak kena guna liquid paper. And then liquid paper boleh berterabur, bersepai kat atas kertas. Then nak kena garis-garis guna pen lah. Lepas tu minta kertas lebih dekat pemeriksa sebab dah tak ada ruang. Kertas sudah hancur lebur. That was me back then. That's why I don't like writing essays. Hadapan Puan Hanna Raevan, perkara atas adalah dirujuk. Sila berikan saya RM50. Paling senang skor bila dapat surat rasmi. Tak tahu dah senang ke tak. I don't remember what kind of writing we had to do during my time. Sastra klasik kena baca hikayat hang tua. Wah, you guys have to baca hikayat hang tua. What did I read back then? One of the things, I feel like if I tell you guys the kind of komsas that I took back then, maybe you guys can have an idea of how old I am. Well, basically, one of the komsas that I took was, this was pretty old though. Kasut kelopak jantung. And then, Papa, akhirnya kau tewas juga. Yeah, that. What else? What other komsas did we took? I remember the Papa though, because the reason why I remember that is because I actually read the whole book. And it was so stupid. Kasut kelopak jantung, my goal. Yeah! Lagi laju cross out word daripada guna crossing tape. Betul. Hanna time tu, Hanna dah macam, I got traumatized using liquid correction liquid. Yeah, that thing. So I just crossed everything out. It's easier. The subject I hated most in SPM is Pendidikan Moral, complete waste of memory space. I guess they're trying to teach you morals. The same way how like the Muslims had to take agama, right? Yeah, so they have to have an equivalent for the non-Muslims. So the Muslims have to take agama and the non-Muslims have to take moral. So it's even. Bayangkan dah tulis karangan Harvey, lepas tu tengok tersilap faham soalan. Wah, that was me. You guys know how I took computer science, right? And last time we had a test, and the answer asked me to do a pseudocode. I don't know. I feel like some of you guys are from the computer science background, right? So the answer asked me to do a pseudocode, but you know what I did? I did a flowchart instead. So satu kertas Hana tu dah penuh dengan flowchart. Yang dah macam memang satu kertas tu penuh dengan tu je lah. Lepas tu bila Hana baca balik soalan, lah dia nak pseudocode. And I had to find a different paper just to write the code. Were you coding on paper, Twin? The test was on paper. So yes, we had to write the code on paper. Which is something that I question, not gonna lie. Like, why are we writing things on paper? I mean, isn't like coding have to do on the computer? That's what I've been asking, but I guess I asked my lecturer and the lecturer said, no, we have to do everything on paper to avoid cheating. And I'm like, okay then. I wrote like a 3-page of code. Print hello. Oh my god! Hello world! Apparently every computer science student has to print that. Hello world. Then macam mana doh orang kod atas kertas? You just have to write and remember everything. Moral of the day, baca soalan betul-betul. What did I do? Oh, I confused with the question at the back because it was on the same paper. I did one question back on the front page and the back page. I got confused with the back page because the back page asked for a flowchart, whereas the front page asked for pseudocode. So I was like, oh, okay, so I have to do a flowchart. But it turns out I got it mixed up. I had to do a pseudocode instead. Did you make sure to bring your punch cards? Punch cards for what? Correction liquid was not allowed during my time. If wrong, have to scratch it out with ink. I'm not sure if correction correction liquid was banned back then. I mean, in university, there are some lectures that are like, please don't use correction liquid, use a correction tape instead. Yeah, but I don't remember back then during SPM. That was a long time ago. Saya tak selamat pagi dunia. That's the first code everyone do, bro. Are you Eiffel Tower? Because I fell for you. Oh, don't fall for me. I have nothing to offer. Maybe now it's more lenient. I guess so. But yeah. I wish that anyone who's taking SPM, or maybe not SPM, maybe you're taking a different exam, like university level exams or whatever. Like Hanna, I do have a final exam soon. I'm not gonna say when exactly, but soon. This is supposed to be my study week. Yeah, to anyone who has exams soon, I wish you guys luck. And I hope that you guys manage to answer everything with flying colors. What even is SPM? CJ Pelajaran Malaysia. Rasa tak boleh sebab possible orang change the answer after submit the paper. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Memang tak recommend untuk pakai liquid buang masa kan? Lepas tu bersepah pula tu, it gets everywhere. On your fingers, and then like tiba-tiba dia tak kering, and then dia jadi bersepah, so smudgy. It sucks. I don't understand why liquid paper even exists. 2 minggu depan SPMC at math. What is SPMC? If you were a fruit, you'd be a cucumber. Okay, that's enough. Enough with the puns! Dah 5 tahun sejak ambil SPM. Lagi-lagi masa tu PKP. Oh my god, you're a baby. 5 years ago? 5 years ago is like what? 2021? Damn. I went to be expected. Most of my audience are pretty young. SPMC is trial SPM. Oh. Back then I just call it trial. SPM trial. Zygot. SPM is Malaysia's SAT or O level. Yeah. O level. Sometimes I have to remember that not a lot of people, there are a few people in my audience are not Malaysian. I always assume that you guys are Malaysians. So if you're not, do tell me, because I will automatically assume you guys are Malaysians. Okay? Yeah, 2021 is my SPM year. Aww. I see. Very young. Okay. Is education just an attempt to delay unemployment? How are you gonna get into employment if you don't know shit about what you're gonna do? So of course, education itu penting. Dalam agama pun menyatakan bahawa pembelajaran itu penting. Ilmu itu penting. Kita bila nak dapatkan ilmu, kita haruslah berguru supaya dapat ilmu yang bermanfaat, ilmu yang betul. Tanpa ilmu, macam mana kita nak membina sesebuah masyarakat, membina sesebuah negara? Bagaimana kita hendak membuat sesuatu tanpa memahami pun apa yang kita buat? Jadi, konklusinya, ilmu itu penting. I took SPM nearly 10 years ago. I remember because after SPM, I go watch Star Wars. 10 years ago? Sometimes 10 years sounds so long. But 10 years is like back in 2016. 2016! Baby! Boleh lah ni ujian bertutur. I don't know lah. Sometimes I wonder if I should speak English more or if I should speak Malay more. can I ask you guys again? Do you guys prefer me to speak in English or do you guys prefer me to speak Malay? I know a lot of my toritachis, as in the members, right? They would tell me to speak mix, Manglish, bit of Malay, a bit of English. I can speak both if that's what you guys prefer. Dulu fizik tak minat sangat so dapat D. Tapi subjek wajib dapat A+. Kalau kita minat mesti kita boleh. That's what I think. Betul? Betul? Yeah. Rojak is good to be honest. I am more comfortable rojak actually. So there are times I will speak more Malay, sometimes more English, sometimes I just do a mix of both. Because I know majority of my audience are from Malaysia, so that's why I do rojak. Up to you, you are free to speak whatever you like. Kan? Suka hati aku lah nak sebut bahasa apa? English ke Malay ke? I speak whatever the fuck that I want. Nah, I'm just kidding. The reason I ask is because sometimes I want to get to know like who my audience are. But I know some of you, most of you guys are Malaysians, right? Is there non-Malaysians in chat? If there is, let me know. I feel like most of you guys are Malaysians. I'm sorry, Twin, but I only get English mix and match because I want to learn about the Malaysians. Wait, aren't you not? I thought you are Malaysians because of your name, so I assume you're Malaysian. But I guess you're not. Tak, let je, mix is fine. Rojak buah pun sedap, kan? Rojak buah, rojak perut. Last Hanna, pick up line. Are you camera? Because I smile every time I look at you. No. I'm a shotgun because I will definitely shoot you. Hi, saya Mexican. Okay. I'm non-Malaysian. Tipo. Overseas bros, where you at? Indonesia. We have some Indonesians. I don't sound Malaysian. Oh, then what you sound like? What? Acah-acah je mod. Tu. Non-Malaysian Daripada mana? Daripada negara Pulu. Rojak Manglish is the epitome of being Malaysians. No one gives a fuck about what language you want to speak. Betul? I'm from Kok Diang, Sweden. Oh, jauhnya Kok Diang. Zafiq kata dia non-Malaysian. Daripada mana? Zimbabwe ke? I can't buy RON 95. Serious ah? I don't eligible. Serious ah? Is it because you don't have license or is it because you're a foreigner? Oh, Perthless. Suddenly want to be UK. Ulu Klang. I'm overseas as well. What do you mean overseas? Johor ah? Oh, Johor. Faham. Yelah, Johor kan bukan Malaysia. Zimbabwe. I sound like Malaysia second home holder. Then what exactly do you sound like? I see merah. Oh, I see merah. Faham. That's why I haven't give up my Malaysian citizenship. So you are Malaysian. Borneo is overseas technically. Across the sea, I guess. Over the sea? Overseas? I mean, if you want to take it literally, overseas, then I guess. But they are still considered Malaysia. They're just located across the sea. Then that could also work for a peninsula if you want to think about it. We are considered overseas to the Borneans, right? It's over the sea. So I can still use RON 95. Also, you are Malaysian. Naruto. Massachusetts pila. UK ulu kalah. Perthless. Apa lagi? Arizona, KL. Damn, a lot of overseas people here. That's good to know. Perak mana tu? Perak. What time is it? 12:32 a.m. already. Okay. Hawaii, Terengganu. Ayah, Hawaii ya. Saya duduk London, Kelang dari Colombia. I live outside Malaysia with Isha. Tapi Isha is in Malaysia though. Who are you staying with? Scary. Are you sure that's Isha? Hey. San Francisco coffee is Malaysian. I always think that I sound Malaysian. I mean, it depends. Sometimes I speak like Malaysian. Sometimes I speak English. I don't know. How do I sound like to people? To me, I sound Malaysian because I do talk like that. You know, like I speak in a Malaysian accent. Yeah, I'm from Malaysia. You know. So I always assume that I sound Malaysian. But then it surprised me when people actually ask me like, where are you from? And then when I told them I'm from Malaysia, they're like, wow, you're Malaysian? I'm like, yeah, I'm Malaysian. I thought it was obvious because there are times I speak English like a Malaysian. Can you sound like a foreigner? You speak like Kak Ros. Kak Ros! How does Kak Ros sound like? Aku lahir Korea, Hanna. Korea Utara ke? Can you sound like a foreigner? Foreigner? It's hard when I have to do it in command. How to sound like a foreigner? Like this? Cik Hanna marah. Mesti sama macam Kak Ros. Marah Ish, korang berdua ni kan asyik buat masalah. Tak boleh ke duduk diam? Ni asyik nak buat masalah aja. Piat sikit dengar tu. Can you do a British accent? Would you like a cup of tea with some scones? Got weather today in it. Good day today, mate. Bought a water. Water? Would you like a bottle of water? Or maybe a cup of tea with some scones? That was the worst. Can you do... What is this? Cuba buat suara comel, Hanna. Nak buat suara
Tori
comel.
Tori tachi. Thank you, I am Pepe Gapreda. For becoming the bestie Tori for 12 months. Arigato. Chujuri Upin! Okay tak? Ipin! Oh, do you want me to jerit like Kak Ros? Ipin! I don't know if that sounds like Kak Ros. Suara macam opah. Bohong sangat lah kalau suara macam opah. It's Tuesday, isn't it? Jerit like Kak Ros. Macam mana suara Kak Ros? Upin! I mean, I can sound like myself. Kak Hanna. Yeah, Kak Hanna. Kak Ros, macam mana dia marah? Ipin! Masuk! Dah maghrib ni! Pergi mandi cepat! I don't know if that sounds like Kak Ros. Kalau grandma, if it's a grandma, it's gonna sound like this. Ipin! Masuk cu, dah lambat dah ni. Dah pukul berapa? Dah pukul 7.30 ni. Jangan lewat sangat dekat luar tu, nanti setan colek. Masuk cu, masuk. I guess that's more of a grandma. Or maybe a grandpa, I don't know. Well, someone asked me to sound cute. I don't know how to sound cute. How to sound cute. Oppa doesn't do growling though. Did I growl? It wasn't growling though. Nak kena culik dengan hantu time maghrib. Granny Raevan. Masa zaman Oppa dulu-dulu. Let's go back ke hari Hanna nak. Tak apalah. saya tak cukup pro lagi nak buat voice acting. It would be nice to get into voice acting, but I feel like I am not in that level yet. Like I feel like Lily is very good at voice acting. Luna too, to be honest. I love when I hear Urufi's voice. You can tell it's like different personality. But for some reason, I have a hard time trying to imitate that. It's really hard. Maybe with a lot more practice I can try, but for the time being, I feel like I am not at that level yet. Urufi, yeah! You know, having to hear Urufi in real life was definitely was definitely something. It really made me feel certain things. You guys remember where we had to do the durian stream? And then you guys summoned Urufi? Yeah, and I had the opportunity to listen Urufi IRL, and it was wow, crazy. Why is this so much more? It only lived for so long, it only makes me sad.
That's random.
Hanna got an alter ego panggil apa? Oh, Hanna Corvella. I do have an alter ego called Hanna Corvella. My name is Hanna Raevan, whereas my alter ego is Hanna Corvella. Well, she is more mommy, I think. It has been a while since we've summoned Corvella, huh? When's the last time we called Corvella? What? Maybe a month ago? Peak collab moment. Yeah! Dem dah nak habis ke baru nak tanya pasal kinetic potential. Don't ask me. If you watch my VODs, right? Most of the time it's just me. Thank you for the thumbs up, Urufi IRL. I'm scared. It was hot. It was hot. Yeah. Listen, Urufi IRL was hot. Mommy. She was definitely mommy. Corvella voice acting stream when? I don't know. One day. Raevan or Corvella, semua kita accept. Where Corvella? Can you show? Corvella? You guys want to talk to Corvella? Damn, it's been a while since I've summoned Corvella. Corvella? Where are you? Corvella? Hey, Corvella? Yeah, the chat wants to talk to you. Is that okay, or are you too busy? How much for Corvella appearance? 100. No, just kidding. Corvella teaching stream, but dia jerit bila kita buat silap. Corvella jarang lah menjerit. Hanna Raevan, yes, I do jerit a lot. But Corvella, she's more calm. Yeah, she's more calm, relaxed. Maybe a little bit intimidating sometimes, but I don't think she screams that much. Corvella. Let me see if I can summon her. Corvella, hello? Are you there, Corvella? Wait, ちょっと待って。
Ya, saya. Ada siapa panggil saya ke? Di sini Hanna Corvella yang bercakap. Tadi Hanna Raevan ada panggil. Dah lama ya tak dengar suara Corvella. Rindu ke? Minta maaf lah sebab lama tak jumpa. Corvella sibuk sikit kebelakangan ni. Ada banyak benda nak kena buat. Mother, my little babies. How are you guys? Did you guys miss me? Because I miss you guys so much.
Super!
Thank you, Yazito21 for the 6 ringgit. Corvella, hi. I know, it has been such a long time. But the thing is, Hanna Raevan likes to hog the stream most of the time. So, I really get to show myself. But I miss you guys. I was in bed, I heard my OC on the back of my chair. You guys are so adorable.
Yeah, but unfortunately, I don't think I'm able to speak to you guys for too long. Do you guys have anything you want to say to Carvella? Anything you want me to know before Hanna Raevan comes in and kicks me out? Miss you so much more. I hope you're doing great, mommy. It's okay. You can call me mommy if you want. I can be your mommy. Carvella, how are you doing dinner together? Are you gonna pay? I mean, if you're treating me, then that's fine. We can go on a date together. It better be a high-class restaurant, maybe with a wagyu. Say baby again, baby. Aw, my little baby. Are my babies okay? Aw, you guys are so cute. Ah, what? Oh, Raevan's gonna come soon. Oh, anything else before I go? Have to go. Yes, I'm going now. Oh, wait, Carvella, when can we hang out together? I know this Chuggy place. Chuggy? How about tomorrow? Or maybe tonight, I can come at your place. Maybe I can pick you up. Sleeping great tonight. Thank you for the 5 ringgits, Zopig. What a good boy. Thank you. I lost a gallon already. Oh no. Okay, Raevan. Come in. Dah dia dah pergi. Sana puas bercakap dengan Hanna Carvella. Carvella, mommy, I can cook. No, she already gone. I already kicked her out. Nah. Fikir my inner self to keluar. She's out. I kicked her out. Nah, she can't be on the stream for too long. It's dangerous. She can say things that are a little bit scary, so I gotta control my chat. See? My chat is going crazy. Tak puas, but it's okay lah. That much is okay. Nanti lah, one day maybe we can do like a Carvella stream. Okay lah, bagus lah. Dapat lah Hanna berehat. Bagilah Carvella tu bercakap. Nak sangat kan cakap dengan Carvella. Siapa lah Hanna Raevan ni kan? Tak apalah kita. Tak ada orang sayang. Tak apalah. Nanti Hanna panggil Carvella, ya. Tak apa, dah ajak dia date. Boleh lepas rindu. Pergilah. Mak datang balik. Saya takut seorang Hanna. Kau kenapa? Takut sangat dengan aku. Bukannya aku nak cekik kau. Tori taci. Welcome. Hai Sofa. Kirim salam kat Mami Carvella for me. Tengoklah sana. Tengoklah ke mana nanti. Tak ada lah. We love Hanna Raevan. Tipu itu semua penipuan. Oh, I forgot to open my stream. My hotkeys. Buat apa ni? Tipu anyways, I feel like that is all for tonight. Thank you for the 10, Mr. X. Sayang Hanna. Hanna po sayang ka korang. Thank you. Sayang kat Mr. X lah. Sebab Mr. X yang sayang Hanna. Thank you for the 1 gifted membership. Rakin Kaizo. Tori tachi. Kapinara. Arigato. You know, maybe I should sound more cuter Yeah. I should sound more cuter. I've been watching a few streamers, right? And I'm like, how can they sound so cute? I want to sound that cute. But then I'd listen to my own stream, I'm like, I could hear my ears bleeding. How to sound cute, chat? Tipu mungkin, but kebenaran tak mungkin menipu. Kau cakap apa ni? Hanna Raevan kalau cakap baby macam mana? Baby. That's how I say baby. Tapi Hanna dah sound cute dah. But I don't think I sound cute enough though. When I hear my streams, right, I sound like... entah. I sound like I'm a fish stranded on land and I'm dying. I sound like a dying fish. I don't know if that makes sense, but I sound like a dying fish. Thank you for the 5 OG. Sayang Hanna Raevan juga. Yes. Bukannya tadi siap ajak adik Hanna Corvella. Tak pernah pun ajak Hanna adik. Corvella je ajak. Hanna Raevan ni apa tunggul kat tepi. Tak apalah. Tapi thank you for the 5. Fish is cute, what? You wanna look at pictures of fish? I'ma show you how fish look like. Ah. Is that cute? Is that cute to you? Oh my god. Does this look cute? Does this look cute? Or this? Or this? Or this? I'm ugly. I'm ugly like a fish. Oh my god. Ah! That's me. Oh my god. Oh. That's slow. Do I look like a fish? Or this? Ah! I'm a fish. I'm ugly like a fish. No. I sound like a fish. Oh, fishes are cute. Even this? Look at it. It looks like it has a giant pimple on its head. Or maybe a sunfish. You know what? If I were to become a fish, I want to become a sunfish. Or the other name is Mola Mola, I think. Mula Mula? Mola Mola? I don't know. It looks dumb. Like me. So I guess that's perfect. I could be a Mula Mula fish. Because it's dumb. And I'm dumb. I look dumb. Yeah. What fish do you guys want to be? Looks like me, right? If I were to become a fish? Yeah. I like sunflowers and it's a sunfish. Yeah, this is me if I become a fish. Don't kill me, okay? All fish are cute in my stomach. Sunfish is easily died, oh. It's okay. Let me die. Let me die. Ikan keke ma iloy, iloy, ikan. Ikan apa? Ikan meranga ma ilai, ilai. I want to be Gil from Find... Oh, that fish is hot though. Do you have the same hotness as Gil? Gil, Finding Nemo? You wish you were him, but you can never be him. Why is he so smug and hot as a fish? Oh, if I become a sunfish, I can't date Gil. That's sad, because I'm too big. I'm too big to date Gil. I might crush him. And he's gonna die. Shit. I can't date Gil if I become a sunfish. What other fish that I can be? I can be... What is this fish? Isn't this the fishes in the Finding Nemo? Moorfish. Moorfish? Is that a fish? It's a fish. Boleh makan ikan Nemo ka? I don't think you can eat Nemo though. But you can eat Dory. Not this Dory. I know it's called Dory, but that's not the actual name. The actual name, what's the actual name? I forgot. Blue Tang. Fu Tang. Yeah, Blue Tang. That's the actual name of the fish. Dory fish is this. No, not you, Dory. This fish. This is ikan Dory. Dory fillet. Wait, let me find an alive version of this. Dory fish alive. Not that one, bro. Is it actually called Dory though? Dory fish alive fish and chip. Dah lah alive. Memang keluar fish and chip sedap pula tengok fish and chip ni. Damn. That looks like a very nice fish and chip. Is that the Dory fish? I think maybe this is the Dory fish. Sashimi good. Wow. Today I was craving for sashimi. I wanted to go to this one Japanese place. It's like a buffet and it was only 65 ringgit 70 cent. But then I was like, I want to go with someone, but I don't know who to go with. No one is available, so I'm sad. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I am nobody, all on my own. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. Me, I'm available. You guys want to go eat buffet with Hanna? It's only 60 ringgit. I forgot the exact amount, but it was like 60 ringgit plus. Excluding tax. Maybe with tax it's like 70 something. I'm fairly sure the fish is called the dory fish. I searched for dory fish, but then a different kind of fish shows up. Maybe this is the dory fish. Why is it ugly though? I'm sorry for face shaming you, dory fish. You're delicious though. 60 ringgit but $6,000 flight ticket to get. It's okay, we can do like a virtual meetup. Jangan lawan siapa makan lagi banyak. Mestilah Hanna. Thank you for the 6-7, Mr. X. Let's go buffet. Let's go. We can go to a buffet. Actually, the buffet that I'm telling you guys, is it okay if I tell you guys where it is exactly? Is that safe? I mean, it's not like I live there. Do you guys want to know the buffet that I'm talking about? It's fine to share that information, no? No? Is it dangerous? It's not like we know where you're going. Kan? Korang pun tak tahu yang hari tu Hanna pergi Orc Cafe. Tak tahu Hanna ada dekat sebelah korang, tapi korang je tak perasan. Okay lah, I feel like it's fine for me to tell. It's actually at IOI City Mall. It's called Robata Izakaya. Wait, no, Robata IOI City Mall. Robata Sushi and Grill. Robata Izakaya. This one. Yeah. It looks good. Menu. Do they not have a buffet? Where's the buffet? I saw a buffet. Where is it? Where's the buffet? Is it not here? But yeah, basically this one. Robata Sushi and Grill. It looks interesting. Maybe you guys can go first and then let me know if it's good or not. Hanna might be among us? Yeah! Hari tu, sebenarnya masa Hanna pergi Orc Cafe tu, Hanna nampak je ada orang. Tapi takutlah juga ada orang kat situ kan. Lepas tu Hanna pun macam kena pura-pura buat suara bukan suara Hanna. I'm like, saya nak air ni satu. I have to make like a different voice so that I don't know if the cashier recognize me or not. Maybe they watch me, maybe they don't. Then I had to like fake my voice. So I was like there and like, saya nak air ni satu. Air ni. Yang ni satu, yang ni lagi satu. Nampak 220 ringgit for the buffet. Really? I saw it on TikTok actually, and they said it was like 67 ringgit or 60 something ringgit. Let me just go through my TikTok. Where's my phone? Oh wait, here's my phone. Not 220. It was 60 something. Let me. Oh, shut up. Where is it? Let me find it, okay? Oh, this is Lagaya. Lagaya also making a buffet at IOI. I don't know if Lagaya has other places, but they're doing a buffet for 78 ringgit during lunch and 88 ringgit, which is cheaper than the normal price, which was almost 200 ringgit if I'm not mistaken. So if you guys want to go eat buffet, then maybe go there. Oh yeah, Robata Sushi and Grill. 68 ringgit per pax. 68 ringgit per pax, Robata. It's on TikTok and they even have an advertisement for it. It's 68. My bad. So masa collect tu staff cafe tu tak kenal lah VOGI girls. No one knows us. Apa ni? 678 for lunch, huh? Yeah, once in a while. Why not? Robata Izakaya is limited time, not everyday one. Yeah. Oh, really? I can go that now. It's limited now. Can go. 67 plus 1. 68. Diorang tak layan VTuber that time. Tambah service tax and SST. Maybe like around 70 ringgit. 70 plus, maybe 80. I don't know. Well, I want to go there lah. Just have to find a buddy to go with. I've never eaten... Wait, have I eaten buffet alone? Maybe I did. Socialbuzz free. Hanna free! Tapi I can't be there lah. I can only be there virtually. Ni subjek apa kak? Subjek Robata Sushi and Grill. Oh, minat tak? RM68 je untuk buffet. Why am I even promoting them? I'm not even being sponsored by them, but I just wanna try the buffet. Mak free. Yeah, let's go. Metori taci siapa nak gimme collect nama. Pergilah. Lepas tu tak gambar hantar kat Hanna. Hanna just bayangkan Hanna ada kat situ. I wanna go here, but I don't know who to go with. I sent it to my friend, right? Like my best friend who got married, but she's got married, so I'm pretty sure I am no longer her priority, which is understandable. And I sent her the TikTok video. I'm like, hey, would you be interested to eat someplace like this? And then I got a reply. She said, oh, this looks good. I'm like, yeah, it will be nice to eat here. And then that's it. That's the only feedback I got. I'm sad. So I'm assuming, even though they say it's good, they're not interested. Oh well. I guess I'll just have to find someone else. Ada waffle tak? Tak pasti lah. I mean, it's sushi and grill. It would be nice to have waffles though. Man, such a long drive. Is it far from where you guys are? I'm thinking nak pergi maybe after Anime Fest. Anime Fest? I thought Anime Fest dah lepas, no? Tak apalah. Mungkin Ana boleh pergi sorang-sorang. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. Oh my own. Oh, no, lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. All on my own. Oh, so sad. 1 hour biasa je. 6 hours to Putrajaya. Where you from? Perlis, is it? That's far. Maybe Perlis or Penang. Either those two. Lonely but eating good. I want to eat with someone. I mean, sometimes I'm fine eating by myself, but there are times I want some company. I want to eat with someone. Lonely food vlog. Maybe I should do a food vlog. That would be nice. I should do a vlog where I review food. That would be nice, right? But I need a lot of money now because I'm reviewing things that I bought. And then I'm gonna get fat. Fuck. 30-minute drive should be okay to accompany you. Lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. Oh, but actually, like I'm so used to eating alone. But like I said, sometimes I want company, and these are one of those times that I want to have a friend to share a meal with. Like not too long ago, I was eating by myself. I was eating at Ichiban, and it was nice, you know, just me and my own thoughts and my ramen. Yeah. But for this one, I don't know. I just want to invite someone. Must be nice. Eat alone, gang. No! No! I want to eat with someone. Tapo mo na tayo ba? No! Hanna, SPM Physics macam mana? Dah habis. We got 38 out of 40. Yeah! And my brain is fried, so we're talking about something else fried. Sushi and grill. Then make exercise vlog after food vlog. No! Too much work. No! I wish I could come for the other to eat. I wish the same. It's okay. Today I eat a lot at barbecue town. Just me time. Oh really? That's nice. How was it? Was it fun? Did you get to eat a lot of food? Maybe I should do that. But I want to eat with someone. 34. Oh, what did I say? Did I say 38? Yeah, 34. 34.40. Tapi select gak makan Saizeriya bila orang tak free. Mungkin no. Kenapa makan seorang? Mungkin dia nak me time. Tak apalah. Nantilah Hanna cari someone nak makan dekat Robata Sushi and Grill ni. I don't know who, but I'll figure it out. Kalau betul-betul tak ada siapa nak makan dengan Hanna, enggak apa-apalah. Hanna pergi dengan Toto je. Lonely, I miss the... Okay. I think it is time for us to go to bed. It's already 1 a.m. Now discussing Hanna's reward for getting A. Yeah! Hey, yesterday I ate what do you call that? Wood fire. Yesterday I ate wood fire, you know. I was craving for meat. And it has been a while. I wanted to eat meat, but I decided to eat something else because I'm like, apalah, simpan duit jap. Simpan duit nanti Maybe some other time I'll just eat someplace else first. No meat, so I only eat chicken and fish. But then yesterday the craving was too strong to ignore, and I actually went to buy wood fire, and it was bussin'. It was good but expensive. My wallet cried after that. It was 32 ringgit for a smoky burger, if I'm not mistaken. Wood fire is good. It's good. But damn, the price though. It's the kind of food that you can eat once in a month. Or maybe once every 2 months or so. I would say it's on the same level as Seirakya. Seirakya. Seirakya is also expensive. But wood fire, the thing that I like about it, it's the meat tastes so good. Seirakya is just ramen and I feel like you can get cheaper options for ramen that can taste somewhat the same. But for wood fire, right, I feel like it's hard to find a really, really good burger patty. If you want to go buy like at a random fast food restaurant that sells burgers, it does not taste the same. You can taste the frozen patty on the fast food restaurant, but for the wood fire, right, it's just so juicy and fresh. Wood fire sedap. Sedap! Yeah, sedap tu memang sedap. Lala wallet pun menangis. I lost so much money, but it's okay. Duit boleh dicari bak kata orang kan. Makan daging banyak sangat time weekend habis sakit perut. I need meat. Tapi orang cakap tak elok kan kalau kita makan daging banyak sangat sebab nanti dapat gout. Takut juga. Seram lah dapat gout. I have like this one teacher that has gout and I can see him limping around. I'm like and I was asking him, cikgu, kenapa cikgu jalan macam tu? Lepas cikgu cakap, saya ada gout. And I feel bad for asking. Sometimes I feel like, am I being too straightforward with people? Am I being too honest? Sometimes I feel like maybe I'm being too honest because I don't know when's the appropriate time to ask certain questions. So I don't know if that was an appropriate question to ask, but I was curious, okay? I was trying to get close to my teacher, so I was asking like, "Cikgu, kenapa jalan macam tu?" Cikgu was like, "Oh, saya ada gaut." I'm like, "Oh, okay, never mind. I'm sorry to hear that." Yeah. Mi nak makan sushi cake. I'm craving for some unagi. Boleh lah ajak Luna. Luna suka unagi. Ana boleh set up Instagram post untuk vlog and food. Oh my god, good idea. This sounds such a good idea. Maybe I should do that. Now I have to find time to set up an Instagram account. Gout is good. Gout is good. Gout is not good. Gout looks painful. I don't have gout though, but it does look painful. It's okay, you generally don't know. Yeah. I feel bad though for asking that question. Like you enter a restaurant and suddenly Kenny G playing. Oh, you mean the prize? That's not Kenny G. Why do I hear people knocking on my door? Is that someone knocking or is that a motorcycle? Oh, it's a motorcycle. I just done meat, instant spaghetti and 2 half-boiled eggs. Supper time. Wow, eating at 1 a.m. Good for you, good for you. Finally, Hanna on Instagram. To be honest with you guys, I don't really use Instagram that much. I don't like using Instagram that much. But I mean, for content purposes, then I guess we can set up an Instagram. I mean, personally, I do have a personal Instagram account. It's just that I don't post much. The only times I post is when I don't know, I need to make a folder of the pics that I took. But besides that, I don't really use Instagram that much. I don't even post stories. I don't know if that's weird or is that normal. It's normal to me. But be careful not to be caught in reflection when taking pics to post. Yeah. Instagram can use once in a while. Same, I save a lot of recipe from Instagram. God, that's the only thing that I use for Instagram. For, I don't know, other purposes. Not really for sharing my life to people. I don't know. Something about sharing my life with people is scary. I don't want to know. I don't want to let people know where I am or what I've been doing. Especially in real time. Like, I don't want them to know that I'm there. Even if they're my friends. Yeah, it feels kind of... Well, it's just me though. Maybe it's other people don't mind it. But for me, I'm not really comfortable. Anyways, it's already 1 a.m. I think it's better that I go to bed. And you guys should go to bed too. Okay? Let me just change this. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my stream today, everyone. If you guys enjoyed this content, then make sure to like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing here? Make sure to like, subscribe, and if you like it, maybe leave a comment or something. Yeah, and I'll see you guys again on Thursday, where I will be streaming on the VOGI channel. To anyone who does not know the VOGI channel, just type VOGI on YouTube and you will find it. We will be playing, we as in me, Lily and Isha are gonna play zhkk together. Luna has something else, yep. So it's just gonna be the 3 of us, unfortunately, but it's okay. We'll try to have fun have fun together, okay? Okay, I think that's all from me, everyone. Thank you for watching. Otsuhana, 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 and oyasumi nasai. Bye bye.